on this Sunday evening. We had a session earlier also, and the topic for this evening is very interesting: how to deal with a difficult boss. A tricky topic to discuss, and we have today Mr. VK Sharma to discuss this topic. The pharma business consultant, having more than 28 years of experience in pharma field, a leadership coach, and an executive trainer. We have already, utilized a lot of time before. So let us start this session without wasting much of the time. I'll hand it over to you, Vikasa, to discuss the topic. And we will have a question answer session at the end of this topic to discuss.
Thank you, Swati. Thank you. I hope my screen is visible now.
Yes, your screen is
Okay.
visible.
So good evening to all of you. So today we'll discuss about this topic, how to deal with the difficult boss and why dealing with the boss is so important. What is the different aspect regarding psychology and what all different options we have with us while dealing with that. So I'll talk about say something around 30 to 40 minutes. And in the meantime, I request you to keep sending your questions. So after I stop, after 30, 40 minutes, we'll start taking your questions. So why we are discussing about boss, the basic reason just to begin with, as he or she play a lot of role or big role in our increments, our promotions, our performance or support system. Because if you want to perform better, particularly more in sales management, or even in marketing also, your boss support system is very, very important. The entire support system is good, important. Another reason, we all are social animal. So we always look forward to better working condition or good working environment in the office. If boss is good, our working environment will be better and we are more productive. And if boss is bad somehow, or we did not get along with the boss, then working environment gets spoiled. And that how we feel, become more tired, or we do not feel like working. So getting along with the boss is very important. And sometimes when we feel that we have got difficult boss, it makes the life hell. That's a basically reason of discussing this topic. When we think about any bad boss, somebody's bad boss, what does a bad boss mean? So I'll just run a, when thinking about bad boss, some kind of picture emerge before you. You have dealt in the past, in your experience, so and so person was a bad boss or so and so person was good boss. I'll just run a 30-second video. I hope it's visible to you.
The audio is not there, Vikasa.
Audio is not there. Okay. No issue. Fair, but I think there is some problem with the audio, but people can relate because this was the ad used to come in the Naukri.com some time back. So this kind of situation people look at when we think about bad boss. And you can go back to your, working area, or you can say your past background. You can visualize somebody who is the good boss, who is the bad boss. Same way, when we think about something good boss and something this kind of picture emerge. This is again video. Audio may not be sufficient, but even then you have seen this ad also coming. Not ad, this is basically video clip some time back was from the Wellspun. It was roaming around. So whether you think about bad boss, whether you think about good boss, some kind of picture emerge before you. That is the meaning of good boss or bad boss. Although their background, you look at why they are doing so, that situation may differ and we may not be knowing that.
Vikasa, please unlink this video since it is still playing on the screen.
We'll go to, yeah, we'll go back. We may not be knowing fact about them. We may not be knowing background why people are doing it. Now let's look at this person. This person plays the character of the Hari Sadhu. He is a thorough gentleman in personal life. The poor chap was playing the role there. Same way in our office, in our setup, there may be some people who may be playing that kind of character, that kind of role. He may not be a bad person. Also, we are thinking about bad people. On the other hand, the lady who was dancing, she is the Dipali Goenka. We may be thinking that she is how good a boss she is. But fact is that Dipali Goenka is the owner of Welspun, which means she is the wife of Welspun, managing director. And that's how she is a CEO. So basically, she is a owner of Welspun. So when owner is a boss, owner can do anything. So something which we are seeing the good may not be so good when we go back in background, and something we see bad may not be so bad also, the way we see it. So sometimes we look at the pictures which may not, without knowing about the background. How it works from psychology point of view. That's the picture, that's a very standard kind of picture. And this picture, you look at, say, how the information comes to us from this side. And then it goes to our, from mind, it goes to our body, what to do. In the meantime, don't look at so many things because this is standard picture of the psychology I'm using. Look at these three figures, what is mentioned here. What all process happen in our mind. Whatever information comes to us, whether we are seeing something, we are listening something, we are touching something, whatever is happening before us, we delete something out of that. Deliberately, कुछ चीजों को हम सुन के नहीं सुनते, कुछ चीजें हम डिस्टॉर्ट कर देते हैं. किसी ने कहा कुछ, हम सुनेंगे कुछ, किसी ने दिखाया कुछ, हम देखेंगे कुछ, और बाकी कुछ चीजें हम जनरलाइज कर देते हैं, ये ऐसा ही होगा. तो बेसिकली हमारे माइंड में तीन प्रोसेस होते हैं, डिलीट, डिस्टॉर्शन एंड द जनरलाइज. जब हम देखते हैं, उसको देखने के बाद हम तीन काम करते हैं. उसको कुछ चीज डिलीट कर देते हैं अपने माइंड से, कुछ को डिस्टॉर्ट करके देखते हैं, कुछ को जनरलाइज कर देते हैं. जब हम कुछ पढ़ते हैं, पढ़ने के बाद भी ऐसे होता है, जब हम सुनते, सुनने के बाद भी होता है. तो हमारी पांचों सेंसेस से जो भी हम देखते हैं, सुनते हैं, पढ़ते हैं, उन सभी के साथ ये ट्रीटमेंट होता है. कुछ चीजें हम उसमें से डिलीट कर देते हैं, कुछ डिस्टॉर्ट कर देते हैं, और कुछ जनरलाइज कर देते हैं, और उसके बाद वो इंफॉर्मेशन हम अंदर लेते हैं. एंड समथिंग इज कॉल्ड परसेप्शन इज प्रोजेक्शन. जो हमने लिया उसी को हम सही समझते हैं, वो सही नहीं है. सही कुछ और है, सामने वाला इंसान कुछ और कह रहा है, हमने उसको कुछ डिलीट, डिस्टॉर्ट और जनरलाइज करके हम कुछ और सुन रहे हैं. सामने वाला कुछ और लिखा हुआ है, हम कुछ और पढ़ रहे हैं. तो टू थिंग्स आर डिफरेंट, बट व्हाट वी आर परसीविंग इज डिफरेंट. एंड परसीव, जो परसेप्शन है वही प्रोजेक्शन है, मतलब उसी को हम सच मानते हैं. तो परसेप्शन इज प्रोजेक्शन. He or she may be wrong, the person or boss who's is in the front of us, but question comes before that, whose life we are discussing? We are discussing our life. एक बॉस है, एक सामने में हूं, तो मुझे अपने बारे में चिंता है, ना कि बॉस के बारे में चिंता. बॉस सही भी हो सकता है, गलत भी हो सकता है, बट हमारी चिंता हमारे बारे में. It is something like you are going on the road, time and again I give the same example. You going on the road and you are going on the footpath, और सामने से फुटपाथ को गाड़ी चले के आ जाता है, तो आप फुटपाथ को छोड़ के बाहर निकलोगे या वहां पे खड़े रहोगे, नहीं मैं फुटपाथ में नहीं जाऊंगा यहाँ से, बिकॉज दिस इज नॉट प्लेस फॉर कार और समथिंग लाइक दिस, बिकॉज इट्स आवर लाइफ, वी हैव टू टेक प्रिकॉशन. सो इट्स आवर लाइफ. So he or she may be wrong, but even then we are discussing our own life. So who need to change? We need to change. हमारा परसेप्शन गलत हो सकता है, उसका परसेप्शन गलत हो सकता है. So that is how many times what we perceive, what we think is not the correct. And why not correct? Because whatever input we get, we always delete, distort or generalize every damn thing. And this picture, this figure is very standard kind of things in psychology. Now look at this picture. What did this look like? This picture is simply, anybody can say this is like ABC. Very simple. जैसे हमें देखते देखते लगता है ABC. Now look at another picture. This picture when you look at, it looks 12, 13, 14. But the B and 13 is actually the same figure. तो जो ये B है या 13 है, उसके बाजू में हमने A लिखा, वो B हो जाता है, और उसके बाजू में हमने 12 लिखा है, वो 13 हो जाता है. जो लिखा हुआ है वो सेम है. तो कोई इंसान कहां पे है, किस स्थिति में है, किस सिचुएशन में है, उसके अकॉर्डिंग वी मेक परसेप्शन अबाउट द पर्सन, वेयर ही इज, नॉट द व्हाट रियली ही इज. Suppose you are two colleagues, and one of your colleague tomorrow get the promotion, he become your boss. Your perception about the boss start changing. Although the person as such remain the same, he's not changing as a person, but your perception change. Like this is happening in this picture. When B was there with the A, it was A, and the same B comes here, it becomes 13. So where person is, it make the change in the perception. So a lot of things when we talk about good boss, bad boss, it's a lot of things to do with our perception. Now look at this person, Gulshan Grover, kind of original bad man of the Bollywood. People look at it, very bad person. But actually, when you look at personal statement of this person, talk to this person, is very, very nice person, much, much better than many of the Bollywood heroes. So question is, good person or the bad person or the bad boss? Or you can say bad person or bad boss. He may be bad for me, but he may be good for someone. So in this movie, or so any movie, Gulshan Grover was the bad, otherwise he is a good person. When we are saying our boss is a bad person, he may be bad for me, but he may be good for someone else. So it is not the person is bad. He or she may be bad with me. We have to find out why he is or she is bad with me. Person is not bad. We should not brand person as such bad, which many times we do. कि हम उस आदमी को ब्रांड कर देते हैं, ये आदमी खराब है, आदमी ही बुरा है, वो हमारे लिए बुरा है. At the same time, with many people, he must be the good person. Now think the same way another person, Chedi Singh, आजकल सोनू सूद. Again, bad person or bad boss. So he may be bad for someone, he may be good for. Now people are looking at it like a god. He's such a good person, Sonu Sood. But till a few years back, हम उसको सोचते हैं कितना खराब आदमी है. When the movie comes Dabang, this is a scene from Dabang movie. And Dabang movie में there was a dialogue कि छेदी सिंह हम तुम में इतने छेद करेंगे कि भूल जाओगे so and so. Now, few days back, I saw the interview of Chedi Singh, that is Sonu Sood. In interview, what he says that this dialogue, हम तुम में इतने छेद करेंगे कि भूल जाओगे. This dialogue was written by himself, Chedi Singh, that is Sonu Sood. He says this thought come to me, this idea come to me, कुछ इस तरह का होना चाहिए. He said I went up and tell Salman Khan कि ऐसा dialogue कैसा लगेगा, and Salman Khan liked it, and this dialogue was included in the movie. No, Sonu Sood और Chedi Singh is such a good person, वो खुद से ऐसे dialogue दे रहा है. But till 6 months back, we were considering Sonu Sood the bad person. Now we become very good person because of migrant this thing and all. We are considering good people. So it's all about perception. As I mentioned, there is nobody good or bad. It is somebody is bad for us and good for somebody else. Another question comes, is the boss is more capable than me? Or you can say he or she is not so capable. कई बार हमारे मन में डाउट आता है हमारे बॉस हमसे ज्यादा कैपेबल नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता. But question है, who will decide whether he is more capable or less capable? At least I'm not supposed to decide. It is my boss's boss can decide who is more capable, at least not me. So we should not look at that who is more capable, who is less capable out of these two. And much more important than, sometimes we conclude I am much more capable than him. Maybe it is possible you as a subordinate can be more capable than your boss. It's possible. And many places, subordinate is the more capable than the boss. And over a period of time that he becomes the boss. So there's nothing wrong in this when the subordinate is more capable than the boss. उसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है और काफी common चीज है. And this is not something new research that we are finding. In the past also, there are many people like this. We are not first one like this. We are not last one like this. There are many subordinates who are the more capable than their boss. So कहीं आपको लगता है कि मेरा बॉस कैपेबल नहीं है या मैं ज्यादा कैपेबल हूं, तो इससे कुछ बड़ी बात नहीं है. There are many people you will find who are more capable than the boss. And secondly, boss need not to be more capable. Boss need to be more as a generalized manager. Now, when you are suppose working in sales management, you may be very good in the in clinic effectiveness. Your boss may not be as good in clinic effectiveness. It does not mean that he is bad or you are more capable. He may be good in something else. You may be good in something else. Same way, suppose we take the example of the marketing. Somebody is very good in the copywriting and his boss is not so good. He may be good in the maybe some campaign building or something like this. So boss means he may be good in something else. I may be good in something else. Boss need not to be good in everything, whatever supposed to be. So there is no such criteria that boss has to be better than me or boss has to be more capable than me. Boss is boss. We need to look at, we need to accept certain things in the life. So does boss should be more capable? Not necessarily. People get promoted due to different reasons, different situations, different reasons होते हैं. कई बार there is union oriented territory. We promote such a person, such a comrade who himself is union comrade, so that he take care of that. Sometimes we promote such a person because area is like this that he can go and handle something. Suppose some person in brought up in Delhi and tomorrow there is a vacancy in Madhya Pradesh. In the Madhya Pradesh territories are like this. Almost out of 30 days, 24, 25 days he has to travel. He may not be the right person. So we may promote somebody else. So when it comes to promotion, when it comes to becoming boss, there is many factors. It is not the factor of only capability. So this is one thing we should be very clear. If somebody is promoted, I'm not promoted, it does not mean he is more capable. It simply means he is more fitment or better fitment in current situation in the eyes of the management, because management is considering something, this situation will be, in those situations, he is more suitable, not necessarily more capable. So sometimes we dislike boss. How can he become the boss or manager? He can be. There's nothing wrong that anybody cannot become boss. Sometimes you may dislike, but person will become a boss. Think of person like this, H.D. Devgowda. He comes from Karnataka, where I believe some 20-25 Lok Sabha seat is there. He might have been there, half of them or maybe 15-20 seats, and he becomes the prime minister of the country. You may deny, but he becomes the prime minister. I mean, you can't say that I will not accept. You have to accept because he becomes the prime minister. So sometimes such things happen. And not only that, look at another gentleman. Many of you will not be able to recognize this person but I keep a track. This person name is Chand Mohan Ibrahim. I don't know how many of you heard of this person name. Chand Mohan Ibrahim was the information and broadcasting minister in Devgowda ministry. But more important, he was number 2 person in Devgowda ministry. When he is number 2 in the cabinet means once prime minister goes out, he becomes in charge. So there was a time in India where CM Ibrahim or Chand Mohan Ibrahim become the number 2 person of the country. Look at another gentleman. He's Subodh Kant Sai. Again, many people may not be knowing. During the VP Singh tenure as a prime minister, in the second part of that, half part, he was the home minister of India. So many times, many people become the boss. Many people become the big. This does not define that they are only capable. For promotion, for becoming boss, there are many factors are working, not simply capability or non-capability. So once somebody becomes the boss, treat him like a boss. Instead of having ego, how can he become the boss? Or he is less capable or he is more capable? वो चीजें हमें जो perception जो हम इस तरह का prejudice लेके चलते हैं, we need to leave that. Question is, sometimes we say कि how incompetent people become the leader or boss. कई बार सोचते हैं ऐसे आदमी को कंपनी कैसे बना देती है. हालांकि जैसे मैंने बताया मल्टीपल रीजन बनने के, but even then it's not a problem of India or Indian politics. It's a global phenomena. This is the book. This picture is a book. This I'm just giving the front page, exactly the same front page. The book title is so why do so many incompetent men become the leader and how to fix it. And you can see the book is from the Harvard Business Review Press. ऐसे नहीं इंडिया की प्रॉब्लम है, ये ग्लोबल प्रॉब्लम है, ये हार्वर्ड की भी प्रॉब्लम है. There are many people who are incapable or incompetent. They become the boss. They become the leader. There are many reasons. You can read the book and you can understand. But it's a global phenomenon. What I'm trying to say, if something happened with you, you are not that you are only person suffering because of it. And I'm not going in detail of this book, what this book deal with, what they speak about, why people become the manager and how to deal with all those things. But I'm saying this is the global picture. This is a global phenomena. Don't feel this happen only in Indian politics or Indian corporate or Indian field or your own company, but this is global situation. Some people pretend tough and they may not be. Sometimes कुछ बॉस ऐसे होते हैं जो सख्ती से बात करते हैं, बहुत टफ बात करते हैं, बट जरूर नहीं वो टफ हो. And sometimes people pretend sweet, but they need not to be sweet. कुछ लोग बहुत प्यार से बात करते हैं लेकिन उतने प्यारे होते नहीं हैं. So we see the situation. Sometimes people talk to us with more sweetness around that. बहुत अच्छे से बात करते हैं, which person is good? Not necessarily. So how to identify how person good or bad? We should need to look at action of the person, not how person good or bad he speak. So look at action, analyze the action. कई बार हम आदमी का चेहरा देखने से या वो हंसता है नहीं हंसता उससे अंदाजा लगाते हैं ये आदमी खराब है ये आदमी अच्छा है. तो when we say somebody is bad boss, तो bad boss में lot of role being played by our perception of the bad. What makes us bad? जो मैंने आपको शुरू में बताया, how we delete, distort and generalize anything we see, we perceive or we listen. उस तरह से हम करके और उसको एक bad declare कर देते हैं. Once we declare bad, we start seeing with the bad eyes, and that vibration goes to that person also. He start looking at bad. So there's nothing like a bad. Look at action of the person rather than the face value or the language. Look at this person. People who are movie goers. This person is Vardhan Saab from the original Dawn. Always keep on smiling. Full movie he keep on smiling. A smiling person does not mean he is a favorable person or he's supporting person. A smile only tell that he or she is in the control of the situation. And when we say the control of the situation, control of the anger also can be there and control of the business situation. Some people may be very angry with you, but they keep smiling because they have control over the anger. Some people, they keep smiling whatever bad thing or good thing you do because they feel like I will take care of the situation also. So look at different situation. तो अगर हम बोलते हैं कि somebody smiling does not mean person is very good person. The smile only speak about in control. Non-smiling person also is not a bad person. There is many people who does not smile or who does not, you can say, laughs very often. मनमोहन सिंह जी बोलते नहीं थे, इसका मतलब ये तो नहीं थे वो कम्युनिकेट ही कम करते थे और he was bad communicator kind. He communicate fully. कुछ लोगों की आदत एक कैरेक्टर है, कम बोलने का, कम हंसने का, ज्यादा बोलने का. जब हम इंसान को देखते हैं उस कैरेक्टर्स को हटा के देखना चाहिए एज ए ओरिजिनल पर्सनैलिटी, नॉट दोज आउटर कैरेक्टर. Outer character may not reflect about the true picture, true personality of the anybody. More speaking person is not extrovert and less speaking person is not introvert. कई बार देखते हैं आदमी ज्यादा बोलता है एक्सट्रोवर्ट है, कम बोलता है इंट्रोवर्ट है. Extrovert is somebody who reach out to the people and introvert is somebody who is not opening up to people. It is not something can be decided by more speaking or less speaking. So we need to look at overall communication, whether he is able to communicate, whether he's open for communication or is not open to communication, to decide about extrovert or introvert. So these are a lot of things which play into deciding or depicting good boss or bad boss. As I mentioned, we should focus on action, not on the talks. We had a lot of talks to look at, say, with PM Modi and Xi Jinping in last few years. All good touch, all the things. Now look at the actions. So goody is okay, but when look at action, that decide about the person. Sometimes people says, I get frustrated looking at him or looking at the situation. बॉस को देखते मेरा खून जल जाता है या ऐसी हरकत देखते मैं अपने आप कंट्रोल नहीं कर पाता, मेरे से नहीं सहा जाता. Why I'm saying कि don't get frustrated. We need to control, learn from him and the environment and wait for your turn. If you feel your boss is bad does not mean that he's really bad. कुछ तो उसमें होगा. We should try to learn from him. If something we can learn, try to learn something from environment also. And if you're really good, someday your turn also will come. So wait for your turn. So when situation come, I'm difficult to tolerate, I get frustrated by looking at the situation or the person. So don't get frustrated. Wait calmly, wait cool and calm, wait for your turn. And in the meantime, learn from this environment, learn from the person also something you can enrich. Sometimes people say why boss dislike me, बोलो बॉस मेरे से चिढ़ता है, मेरे को शक्ल ही पसंद नहीं, मेरे को लाइक ही नहीं करता. आंसर बेसिकली हो सकता लाइक नहीं करता हो, आइदर इज इंटरेस्ट डिफर और इज लाइकिंग और बिहेवियरल हैबिट्स. इंटरेस्ट मींस उसका इंटरेस्ट हो सकता है ही वांट टू बहुत तेजी से सेल ग्रो करना चाहता हो, आप आराम से चलना चाहते हो 5 वर्ष योजना में, वो धीरे धीरे सेल चलाना चाहता हो, आराम से 10% से ग्रो कराएंगे, आप 25% ग्रो करा के प्रमोशन लेना चाहते हो. आपका बॉस सपोज जनरल मैनेजर है और रीजनल मैनेजर है, वो चाहता है कि आराम से जिंदगी जो टेंशन नहीं लो, आप बोलते हो मैं अपनी जिंदगी जल्द तेजी से प्रमोट होऊंगा. तो आपके इंटरेस्ट उसके इंटरेस्ट अलग अलग हो सकते हैं. या आप सीनियर लेवल पर काम कर रहे हो, आपका बॉस है ही वांट टू मेक वन पर्टिकुलर ब्रांड एज ए बिग ब्रांड, आपको लगता है ये ब्रांड बड़ा नहीं बनेगा, कोई दूसरा कर सकते हैं हम. तो आपके इंटरेस्ट अलग अलग हो सकते हैं. और जब इंटरेस्ट अलग अलग होंगे तो बॉस विल नॉट लाइक यू बिकॉज इंटरेस्ट इज डिफरेंट. और दूसरी चीज होती है कई बार हमारी बिहेवियरल हैबिट. बिहेवियरल हैबिट में क्या होता है, इवन स्मोकिंग. अगर दो लोग स्मोक करते हैं एक दूसरे की बहुत जल्दी जम जाती है, दो लोग बेवड़े हैं एक दूसरे की जल्दी जम जाती है. तो whether smoking repo or the liquor repo, they become the very fast. It does not mean that I'm saying that if you're non-smoker, you become a smoker. Or if you does not take the liquor, you start taking it. What I'm saying, even first one is the more important. When you feel like your boss does not like you, try to understand the interest part. Uska interest kya hai? Mera interest kya hai? How come our interests differ from each other? If you feel like your boss should like you, then you have to see that your interest should be same. The interest has to be, it is the business, is the way you are doing the business, it's the way you are doing your territory, the way you are growing, the kind of product you are promoting, all those things. जहां पे हमारा एक दूसरे का डिफरेंस ऑफ ओपिनियन होता है, वो जब तक एक नहीं होगा तब तक की थोड़ी डिसलाइकिंग रहती है. एंड फर्स्ट वन पार्ट दैट इज इंटरेस्ट पार्ट, इट कैन बी रिकॉग्नाइज्ड एंड इट कैन बी चेंज्ड आल्सो. So it's about his thought process versus my thought process. किसी भी चीज में हमारा एक थॉट प्रोसेस है, उसका एक थॉट प्रोसेस है, तो जरूरी नहीं हम दोनों का एक ही थॉट प्रोसेस हो. हाउ ही लुकिंग एट थिंग्स, हाउ आई एम लुकिंग एट थिंग्स. हो सकता है आपको लगता हो इंसेंटिव बेकार की चीज, हो सकता है उसको लगता है इंसेंटिव बहुत अच्छी चीज है. इट कैन बी वाइस वर्सा आल्सो. यू मे फील इट कि वी शुड इन्वेस्ट मोर इन द डॉक्टर्स बाय मीन डूइंग सीएमई एंड ऑल दोस, और आपको लगता है ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. तो देयर इज व्हेन यू आर डूइंग बिजनेस टुगेदर, देयर आर मेनी थिंग can differ between you, your thought process, his thought process, the way you are looking at things, the way he is looking at things, and different way of looking at the problem, different way of solving the problem. आपको लगता है एक लड़का है आपकी टेरिटरी में, वेदर मेडिकल रैप, एरिया मैनेजर, ही इज नॉट परफॉर्मिंग, वन में से इसको टर्मिनेट कर दो, वन में से नहीं उसको समझाओ. तो डिफरेंट वे ऑफ सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम, तो दैट आल्सो कैन बी डिफरेंट. तो देयर इज नथिंग राइट और रॉन्ग. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप सही हो वो गलत है, वो गलत है आप सही हो. इट इज ऑल टुगेदर बेसिकली your way of looking at situation is the different, how you're looking at solution is the different. Now question comes, can I learn his way? Whatever way he is doing, पहले हमें ये देखना चाहिए क्या उसके तरीके से हम भी सोच सकते हैं क्या. अगर हम सोच सकते हैं, उसे कर सकते हैं, तो फर्स्ट वी शुड ट्राई टू डू दैट. और अगर हमको लगता है कि नहीं उसका तरीका अलग है, मेरा अलग है, लेकिन फिर भी एक बार इवेल्युएट करने में, ट्राई करने में हर्ष तो कुछ नहीं है. आई मे बी राइट, but whatever way he is doing, we cannot say it's wrong. See, success can be achieved or success can be get by different way. The way he is getting success, the way you are getting success can be two different things, and both can be successful. So there is nothing wrong in evaluating his way of success. So that also can be tried and should be tried. Or I want to stick my own way. When I see I will stick my own way, मैं अपने तरीके से करूंगा, that obviously liking will reduce. तो हमको ये सब छोटी छोटी चीजें इवेल्युएट करनी चाहिए. Why boss is disliking? Am I really listening to my boss? When I look back in my own personal career, I can recollect many of such things. My boss is saying something and I'm sticking to my own thought, own process, and that's where the problem takes place. हम नहीं सुनते क्योंकि हम अपनी सोचते हैं हम यही सही है, यही सही है. हम बॉस जो बोल रहा है उसकी प्रायोरिटी, उसका थॉट प्रोसेस समझने को तैयार नहीं होता कई बार, वो चाहता क्या है, एंड दैट्स वेयर द प्रॉब्लम लाइज. सो अब माय बॉस इज ए कैरेक्टर, ही इज ए पर्सनालिटी, एंड आई एम आल्सो ए कैरेक्टर, ए पर्सनालिटी. तो इट्स ए बिटवीन टू पीपल, इट्स ए बिटवीन टू पर्सनालिटी. When I'm saying two character, two personality, the one character is looking at one problem in one way and another character or another personality looking at different way. जब दो लोग हैं, दो लोग एक ही प्रॉब्लम को अलग अलग तरीके से देखेंगे, तो ये अलग अलग नजरिए की प्रॉब्लम है. इट इज नॉट अबाउट अ सॉल्यूशन. अगर आपका बिजनेस कम है, वन पर्सन सेज आदमी को निकाल दो, बदल दो. दूसरा पर्सन सेज नहीं, हमें डॉक्टर पे जाके ज्यादा काम करना चाहिए. अगर आप बिजनेस एक्सपेंड करना चाहते हो, वन पर्सन मे सेज let us introduce more number of product. Another person may say let us introduce more number of people. So it does not mean anybody right or wrong. It's a basically different way of thinking. It's a different character of different personality of solving the problem. It is, we need to look at his priority about our priority. Because I recall once my boss was there, he was trying and telling me, get the result faster. Whatever you have to do it. I was thinking, no, I want to develop a long-term point of business. So my long-term, I feel I was right. And he was time and again, and my boss was managing director of the company. Time and again, MD of company was saying, do whatever you want to do, but do the fast business. I was not willing to listen. So later on, difference is bound to come. But when I realized it was much delayed. Now I look back, why is the problem? Problem was that I was not willing to concede into his priority. It's not question of right or wrong. So same way, when I'm talking about even at MD level, you think about when your boss is maybe regional manager, general manager, or national sales manager, again, his priority can be different, your priority can be different. So we need to look at, can I fit into myself into his priority? Can I look at things from his point of view? हो सकता है उसके ऊपर बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर हो रहा है, उसके लिए एट्रिशन के लिए एट्रिशन बहुत हो रहा है. आप बोले नहीं, एक दो आदमी को और निकालना पड़ेगा. वो बोला नहीं निकालो, नहीं निकालना ही पड़ेगा. Look at his priority. Every day his poor chap is getting better for the attrition. So different part of time, we have different priority. So my boss priority can be different. My priority can be different. That also lead to difference. So if we simply think from his point of view, many of the problem get solved. Same way, his leadership principle and my leadership principle. How he want to motivate people, how I want to motivate people. How he want to drive people, how I want to drive people. How he want to penalize people, how I want to penalize people. How I want to lead people, how he want to lead people. So there is a different way. Again, there is nothing right or wrong. It's two different people, two different characters, two different leadership style, and different people succeed because of different reasons. It does not mean his leadership style is right or my leadership style is right. But उसके प्रिंसिपल अलग है, मेरे प्रिंसिपल अलग हैं. He has got his own success, I have got my own success. So it's not clash between the two people. It's a clash between two leadership principles. So can I look at that way कि ये आदमी इस तरह से देखना चाहता है? Can I look at that way? Or should I stick to my own way? So we need to look at two principles point of view rather than the people per se. Now, looking at all these things, what are the options we have? इतना झगड़ा हो गया, फिर भी difference है, still we feel नहीं bad है, ऐसा है, वैसा है, all those things will come. What are the options we follow? I'll talk about say 4 simple options. First option is understand his point of view. He may be right. अगर ध्यान से देखोगे वो बंदा जो बोल रहा है, उसको अगर ध्यान से सुनने की, समझने की कोशिश करते हो, तो हो सकता है आपको लगे तो वो सही कह रहा है, उसकी बात सही है. और कई बार हमको ऐसा लगता है वो सही था, बाद में लगता है अक्सर. तो पहला ऑप्शन है ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड हिज और हर पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. ही मे बी राइट. सेकंड ऑप्शन, अंडरस्टैंड हिज प्रायोरिटी. इफ यू अंडरस्टैंड हिज प्रायोरिटी ओवर ए पीरियड टाइम, दैट मे लीड टू आवर प्रायोरिटी. उसकी प्रायोरिटी है सपोज तेजी से बिजनेस बढ़ाना. बिजनेस तो मेरी भी प्रायोरिटी है, मैं लॉन्ग टर्म देखना चाहता हूं. तो हे मे बी by looking at his way, it is giving one big jump to my sale, and then I can better streamline sale. So maybe if I go along his priority for time being, later on it can suit to my priority also. So that is again option number 2. Third option is make him change his or her belief. फिर भी डिफरेंस हमारा आता है कि उससे प्यार से बात करते हैं, बॉस ऐसा नहीं, ऐसा समझाने की कोशिश करते हैं हम अपने बॉस को. There is a good chance, even if I assume that 20-25% chance that we may able to convince our boss. मना सकते हैं। हम अगर पहले सोच के बैठ जाएंगे ये नहीं मानेगा, ये सुनेगा ही नहीं, इसने सुनना ही नहीं, ये आदमी बुरा है, तो बुरा ही रहेगा। उसके बजाय अगर हम उसको समझाने की कोशिश करते हैं, उसके बिलीफ को चेंज करने की कोशिश करते हैं, देयर इज अ पॉसिबिलिटी दैट ही मे चेंज हिज बिलीफ। एंड फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज अकोमोडेट हिम। इट्स नॉट लाइफ इशू, तो शादी तो करनी नहीं है, कुछ दिन झेलना है। अगर वो बॉस ही है, कुछ दिन बाद वो खुद चला जाएगा या उसका बॉस कुछ करेगा, तो फिर झगड़ा क्यों करना? ट्राई टू अकोमोडेट फॉर सम टाइम इफ अदर ऑप्शंस आर नॉट वर्किंग, rather than making it a big issue out of proportions. And some important tips apart from these options. There are some behavioral issues which we can communicate in person. Sometimes ना उसकी behavioral habit ऐसी है, वो चिल्लाने लगता है मीटिंग में। उसकी behavioral habit ऐसी है, वो abuse करने लगता है। उसकी behavioral habit ऐसी है, वो क्लोजिंग पे जॉब की धमकी देने लगता है। तो उस वक्त कुछ नहीं बोल के बाद में वी कैन कम्युनिकेट इन द पर्सन एंड ही में रियलाइज, हाँ यार मैं ऐसे गलत करता हूँ, दिस इज समथिंग रॉन्ग, मैं आई आल्सो एग्री। तो व्हेन यू सम बिहेवियरल पार्ट इज देयर, यू कैन कम्युनिकेट इन पर्सन एंड दैट वे यू कैन टेक केयर ऑफ थिंग्स, एंड दिस वे ही और शी मे फील हैप्पी, बिकॉज समटाइम people out of outburst, out of some pressure, people behave different way. And you might have noticed, because I have noticed, that some people under pressure, they behave very differently. And when pressure is off, those people again become a cool person, nice person. So sometimes under pressure, some people behave badly. उनको बाद में जाके बता दोगे तो realize करेंगे, हाँ मैं आपकी बात तो ठीक है। Talking to a person satisfies his ego also, and that can solve many problems. और अकेले में बात करो, उसकी ईगो भी सेटिस्फाई होगी, बंदे ने आके मेरे से बात करी, मेरे से रिक्वेस्ट करी, मुझे मेरी बात बताई, and rather he will start respecting you. So that's again important to solve the issues. Sometimes I say we should be assertive. होना चाहिए, there's nothing wrong in being assertive, but everyone does not like it. मैं कहता हूँ हमको assertive होना चाहिए. I prefer the people to be assertive, but it does not mean that everybody will say like this, you need to be assertive. Many boss you will see जो जिसको बोलना पसंद नहीं है, आपकी हिम्मत ही कैसे हो बोलने की, आप जवाब ही कैसे दे सकते हो? तो कई बार आपको ऐसे लोग मिलेंगे जो जवाब ही सुनना नहीं चाहते. If you get that kind of people, they don't try to become assertive then. So first see the person, because as I mentioned, we are living in Kaliyug. Don't expect the standard thing. It's not something सतयुग, त्रेता युग और द्वापर युग. पिछले लॉकडाउन में काफी सीरियल देख रहे हैं इस युग पे. It is कलयुग चल रहा है, तो don't expect everything is fair. World is not fair. Life is not fair. So there will be some people you will find who don't want to listen, who does not like being assertive. They don't become assertive there. कई बार हम ज्यादा assertive बोलने के चक्कर में हम नजर में आ जाते हैं, and we become the bad person out of it in the eyes of the boss. So that should not be done. And last thing, there's something called hand-on razor. Hand-on razor is not something shaving razor. It is a basically concept. It is a concept when somebody do something which is unintentional or something unknowingly. आपने छुट्टी के लिए अप्लाई किया, क्या आपकी सिस्टर की शादी है, 7 दिन की छुट्टी चाहिए, उसने कैंसिल कर दिया. कितना बुरा आदमी है. मेरी बहन की शादी में 7 दिन छुट्टी नहीं ले सकता. अरे हो सकता जल्दी उसने कर दिया, पॉसिबल ना, बात कर लो एक बार. वो उसका अंदाजा ऐसा नहीं हो, वो समझ नहीं पाया उसकी सिस्टर की शादी है, ठीक से पढ़ नहीं पाया हो. गिव हिम बेनिफिट ऑफ डाउट. अगर आप एक बार बात कर लो, क्या अर्ज हो जाएगा? कई बार लगता है मैं छुट्टी मांग रहा था, मेरे घर में कुछ सिक था, बीमार था, हॉस्पिटलाइज था, बट ही रिफ्यूज. हमने क्या बराबर बात करी, उसको कैसी स्थिति थी? तो कई बार हमारा बॉस ऐसे काम करता है विच इज अनइंटेंशनल, अननोइंगली, या उसने आपको मेल डाला और सीसी डिवीजन हेड को डाल दिया, इसका मतलब मेरी शिकायत कर रहा है. हो सकता है उसको मेल करते करते आदत पड़ रही हो, आदत में उसने खटाक से सीसी पे टाइप कर दिया हो. He does not want to complain about you. Possible. So hand-on laser is something, a concept where we talk about unintentional unintentional, or you can say unknowingly. So when you think about hand-on laser, कि हो सकता है उसने unknowingly कर दिया, हो सकता है उसने unintentional किया हो, तो अगर उस पर ध्यान देंगे तो बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम आपकी ऐसे ही सॉल्व हो जाती हैं. और जब हम इस चीज को कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे तो बहुत छोटी छोटी बातें घर में कोई बीमार था, छुट्टी नहीं दी, या बहन की शादी थी, छुट्टी नहीं दी, उसने इतना लोन नहीं दिया. Lot of things can comes, and it is not junior level, senior level also people कि मेरी मदर हॉस्पिटलाइज थी, मैंने लोन मांगा था, इसने लोन नहीं दिया, मैंने एडवांस मांगा था, एडवांस नहीं दिया. लोग कई कई सालों तक कर्ज बना कर बैठे रहते हैं. तो ये कंसेप्ट उस वक्त काम आती है कि देयर कैन बी एरर, देयर कैन बी प्रॉब्लम which can be from both side, which is unknowingly or unintentional. So you think from that point of view also. So these are something about why things happen, or why we dislike the boss, and what can be different way of handling or dealing with the situation. So these are all about, say, generalized. And last I'll say, even if your individual case, there can be some individual situation, there can be individual boss, how to deal with that boss, that we can do with some of the program, whether executive coaching program we have or career counseling program we have, so that we can deal through them if you have some individual problem. But that is how generalized way I try to explain. So now we can take about your questions. Yes, Satish ji.
Yes, sir. So now we will take the questions. Yes, sir. Thank you so much for sharing this presentation and your thoughts. And it's a very important topic, and every person faces this. There are many times dilemma, and all these things are there, and we are stuck into that, and we don't have a proper solution. Yes. So I have also felt many times. So boss is boss. So everyone faces this. So it is connected directly to each and every employee. That is what I want to say. So we'll try to find out solutions to various issues or problems that you are facing currently. And we have received a lot of queries in the chat box itself. And the attendees, participants who are watching it on Facebook Live, will request that if you have any query or question regarding this topic, how to handle your boss or a difficult boss, you can post into comments, and we'll take the queries from there by pronouncing your name. Okay, and now I'll start first from the chat box only. Once the chat box questions are over, of course, we would like that you discuss it directly with sir, so that there should be a dialogue, not a monologue type of thing. So that if you have any sort of problem that we could not solve here from chat box, you can directly ask that. It will happen just after the questions are over from the chat box. So, sir, with your permission, I'll just start taking the questions. So first question is coming from Mr. Jagan Bedi. So question is, medical reps want their boss should be like robot. If they tell yes, they should say yes. If they say work and report false, they should be with them. Means they become boss sometimes. That is his comment. Comment basically he's saying.
His comment basically more. He may be manager, so he's a
yeah.
Mr. Dwivedi must be manager. He may be talking about his people.
Yes. So he's thinking from the manager's perspective or boss perspective, basically. So Mr. Rahul is saying how to deal a boss who never appreciate our good work, even after performance. How to be self-motivated in these situations?
See, why we need appreciation? There were many boss who does not appreciate. That's what I'm trying to tell. There are different people, different characters. There are some people who simply does not smile itself. हंसते ही नहीं है. कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जो appreciate नहीं करते. उनके लिए चुप रहना ही appreciation है. कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं छोटी छोटी बात पे appreciate करेंगे. तो एक individual character है, एक individual personality है. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कोई आदमी बुरा है या वो इंसान है, tough आदमी है. It's a character like this. Some people घर पे भी कम बोलते हैं वो. तो उसमें कुछ इतना ही हमें गलत नहीं लेना चाहिए कि वो अप्रिशिएट क्यों नहीं करता. ही इज दैट काइंड ऑफ कैरेक्टर. ऐसे लोग क्रिटिसाइज भी कम करते हैं, और कुछ लोग ऐसे क्रिटिसाइज ज्यादा जल्दी कर देते हैं और अप्रिशिएट कम करते हैं. तो वी शुड सिंपली लुक एट इट्स अ डिफरेंट पीपल, डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स, नथिंग मोर देन दैट. इसमें कुछ खराब हमें मानना ही नहीं चाहिए. हमें अपना एक्सपेक्टेशन चेंज कर लेना चाहिए.
राइट. So Mr. Jagan Bedi is again commenting, union makes medical reps powerful, and with this they are misbehaving with managers, and about company's work and product knowledge is also zero. So sir, on this ground, like I would like to ask, this union thing is very much discussed. I always find this union thing coming. So is this really strong today also, and it is so much impactful that it can change the path?
I'll say differently today. union is good for the manager. When our medical rep goes to union, first of all, union is strong in certain pockets, certain area, not everywhere. So जहाँ मिस्टर द्विवेदी बोल रहे हैं हो सकता है वहाँ पे यूनियन स्ट्रांग होगी, पॉसिबल. तो when our medical rep goes to union, वो बोलेंगे हम कॉमरेड आपको सपोर्ट करो, every damn thing whatever he says support him. That medical rep take things for granted, थोड़ा सा कूल हो जाता है, सब लोग मेरे साथ हैं, which may not be true. वो किसी के साथ नहीं होते, उनको अपना मुद्दा चाहिए होता. तो ऐसे केसेस में what is good for manager कि when you deal with the people जो आपके हुक्म के हिसाब से बिल्कुल नहीं चलेगा. कई बार फर्स्ट टाइम मैनेजर को ऐसा लड़का चाहिए होता है, ऐसा मेडिकल रैप चाहिए होता है, जो मैंने बोला वो किया, जो मैंने बोला वो किया. ये जिंदगी में नहीं चलने वाला. आज आपको मेडिकल रैप एक फ्रेशर ऐसा मिलेगा जो आप बोलोगे वो करेगा, लेकिन कल को यू बिकम द से जनरल मैनेजर, आपको रीजनल मैनेजर तो ऐसा नहीं मिलेगा जो आप बोलोगे वो करेगा. टुमारो यू बिकम डिविजनल हेड, आपको ऐसा एनएसएम तो नहीं मिलेगा जो आप बोलोगे वो करेगा. तो पीपल विल बी देयर हु विल क्वेश्चन यू. अगर आपको मेडिकल रैप ऐसे कॉमरेड टाइम मिल जा रहे हैं हु स्टार्ट क्वेश्चनिंग यू, who start even recording your telephone calls, so it's good you are getting that kind of training also. अगर आपने ऐसे फर्स्ट लाइन मैनेजर ऐसे मेडिकल रैप्स के साथ काम कर लिया जो कॉमरेड टाइप के लोग हैं, तो मैं तो कहता हूँ इट्स गुड फॉर यू, इट्स गुड लर्निंग, गुड ट्रेनिंग फॉर यू. यहाँ से आपके उतने बेस इतने अच्छे हो जाएंगे, आप फोन पे बात करते वक्त में सोचा करोगे मुझे क्या बोलना क्या नहीं बोलना, कोई भी रिकॉर्ड कर सकता है. आप 1-to-1 बात करते वक्त बोलोगे, सोचो करोगे क्या बोलना चाहिए क्या नहीं बोलना चाहिए, क्या लैंग्वेज यूज करनी क्या लैंग्वेज यूज नहीं करनी. तो इट्स ए गुड फॉर यू एज ए यू आर गेटिंग ए ट्रेनिंग फॉर फ्यूचर. तो द्विवेदी जी मैं तो कहूंगा इसको पॉजिटिवली लो. और जब कॉमरेड टाइप के मेडिकल रैप होते हैं या पंजाब जैसी जगह में हमको ऑपरेट करना होता है, तो वी ऑलवेज बिकम वेरी कॉशियस व्हाट टाइम वी आर स्टार्टिंग वर्क, व्हाट टाइम वी आर एंडिंग द वर्क. तो वी बिकम मोर डिसिप्लिन्ड काइंड ऑफ मैनेजर ऑल्सो, एंड इट्स अ गुड लर्निंग एज ए मैनेजर. तो टेक इट पॉजिटिव.
Mr. Gopal Sharma is asking how to deal with a lazy boss on the field.
See, if boss is lazy, it is his problem. Why we are bothered about boss? कई बार हमें उसकी चिंता ज्यादा होती है कि वो ऐसा बंदा है. You know, I tell you Satish, when I was general manager, मेरा बॉस था DGM. वो अक्सर होटल में सोता रहता था. हमको बड़ी तकलीफ है क्या सोता रहता है, हम सब आपस में बात करते मजे लेते थे. तो लेकिन हमें कभी ये हमने अपना काम नहीं रोका उसको देखते हुए. बाद में पता चला उसको माइग्रेन था और उसको बीच बीच में माइग्रेन का अटैक आता था, तो बंदा फील्ड छोड़ के चला जाता था, एक्चुअली वो सुबह होटल से निकलता ही नहीं था, एंड उस माइग्रेन से वो निकल नहीं पा रहा था. एंड लेटर ऑन दैट पर्सन बिकम द प्रेसिडेंट इन सम अदर वन ऑफ टॉप 10 कंपनी. तो काम नहीं करने के बावजूद बना. और इससे ही इज स्टिल इन द इंडस्ट्री, ऐसा नहीं कि आउट ऑफ इंडस्ट्री नाउ आल्सो. तो बहुत बार हम अपने बॉस को जज करते हैं, तो पहली चीज हमें अपने बॉस को जज नहीं करना चाहिए. दूसरी बात क्या है, हमारे बॉस के साथ कुछ जेन्युइन प्रॉब्लम भी हो सकती है जिस वजह से वो ऐसा करता है, वो लेजी है या होटल में जाता है, व्हाटएवर इट इज. तो हमारे लिए तो एक ही चीज है, लेट अस स्टॉप जजिंग द बॉस. वो उसके बॉस का काम है, खुद देखे क्या करना है.
Yeah, right.
To do our work.
So Mr. Rahul is asking how to handle a boss who speaks good in front of you and from the back he will send a negative remark against us to his seniors.
नहीं, काफी लोग ऐसे होते हैं जैसे मैंने बताया कि जो आपको अच्छा बोलते हैं, जरूरी वो अच्छे ही हैं. There are many people who try to put a good face before you, and once you are not there, they will try to take credit. So we need to be a little more formal with these people. इनके सामने लूज टॉक ना करें, लूज ऐसा काम ना करें, ऐसी चीज इनको ना दें जिससे उसको आपको पिकअप कर सके. दे विल ऑलवेज वेट फॉर यू टू कमिट मिस्टेक. जैसे आपने मिस्टेक करी, कुछ गलती करी, दे विल कैच यू. तो अगर आपको कैरियर की बिगिनिंग में ऐसे कुछ डिफिकल्ट बॉस या डिफिकल्ट सबऑर्डिनेट मिलते हैं, तो दे ट्रेन यू बेटर. इट्स गुड फॉर यू.
So Mr. Jagan Bedi is again saying a boss behavior depends on the MR. What do you say, sir? Like a person is having a basic behavior of himself or herself, but is it really depending on the situation that if he is dealing with one person, his behavior will be very different, and with the other person, it will be very opposite of the earlier behavior? Is that happen?
Certain percentage, maybe 10-20% it can change. अगर एक बॉस है, सपोज ही इज कमिंग इन फील्ड वर्क इन मेरठ, मिनट में लड़का ऐसा सुबह 9 बजे से लेकर रात को 9 बजे तक काम कराता, नहीं सर आपको करना ही करना, खींच कर आता है, बॉस को मजबूरी में काम करना पड़ता है, चलो ठीक है अभी इतना कह रहा तो कर लेते हैं। सेकंड डे ही कम टू से गाजियाबाद में बंदा ऐसा 5-6 कॉल के बाद बॉस और कॉल नहीं होगी, चलो ये भी ठीक है। So sometimes it may change maybe 10-20%, but basic character of the person does not change. So there are some people wherever they goes in different territory, they accommodate themselves differently along with the people there, but that does not change the actual character of the person.
Right. So Mr. Krishna Prasad is giving a view basically. Sir, as you know, we cannot choose our mother and we cannot choose our boss. Both will happen automatically. So that is his comment. So very true, sir. You are saying very right. So Mr. Ashish Ladhe, he is saying, if boss is pinpointing consciously what to do in that situation, is it advisable to escalate further to higher authority?
No, if he's pinpointing something, it means I have some problem which he's pinpointing. मेरी प्रॉब्लम छोटी है जिसको बड़ा करके बता रहे हैं, या मैं अच्छा काम कर रहा हूं उसको हाईलाइट नहीं कर रहे, मेरे खराब काम को हाईलाइट कर रहे हैं। तो हमें ये देखना चाहिए मैं अपना खराब काम ही क्यों करूं, वो तो हाईलाइट उसी करेगा ना जो खराब काम होगा। तो वी शुड करेक्ट अवरसेल्फ रेदर देन एस्केलेशन। व्हेन यू एस्केलेट इट मींस इट्स ओपन वॉर। या तो आप इतने सही हो और वो इतना गलत है तभी आप एस्केलेट करोगे। तो अगर आप इतने बिल्कुल ठीक हो, आप बिल्कुल आदर्श हो और उसकी प्रॉब्लम ये, देन ओनली वी शुड एस्केलेट, अदरवाइज वी शुड नॉट एस्केलेट। कई जगह सिचुएशन आती है कि जहां पे बॉस और सबऑर्डिनेट के बीच में प्रॉब्लम हुई है एंड देन पीपल आर वर्किंग एज अ प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर, मार्केटिंग मैनेजर, जीएम, और जब मैं एज ए बिजनेस हेड ऐसे में डिसीजन लेना पड़ता है तो हमें एक्शन लेना पड़ता है जूनियर बंदे पे, ना कि सीनियर बंदे पे। हमको मालूम होता है कि जो सीनियर की गलती है उसके बाद भी हम सीनियर को फॉर द टाइम भी इग्नोर करते हैं और जूनियर पे एक्शन लेते हैं, क्योंकि वी वांट टू गिव द राइट मैसेज। ऐसा मैसेज है कल को और लोग शिकायत करना शुरू कर देंगे। तो जब भी कंपनी डिसीजन लेगी वो ज्यादातर चांसेस है पहले डिसीजन जूनियर बंदे पे लेगी, जो एस्केलेट करेगा या जो नीचे से होगा उस पर ज्यादा डिसीजन लेने के चांस है। तो भगत सिंह मत बनो अगर आपको करियर पॉइंट देखना है, या भगत सिंह बनना ही है तो कॉन्शियसली बनो, भगत सिंह ही बनना है। अगर जवाहरलाल नेहरू बनना है तो क्लियर रहो जवाहरलाल नेहरू बनना है। तो हैव द क्लैरिटी वेदर भगत सिंह और जवाहरलाल नेहरू।
Right, sir. So Mr. Amit Paharia is saying, I will definitely try to implement it in our professional life. Thank you so much, Mr. Amit, for the comment. Please try to implement what sir is teaching. Mr. Ashish Ladhe is saying, boss is always right. Is it worth to say in today's context where competencies are much better of subordinate as compared to boss? Explain.
पहली बात तो बॉस इज ऑलवेज राइट इस ऐसे चले आ रहा है विच इज नॉट एक्चुअली करेक्ट। एंड दूसरा उन्होंने क्या बोला था, टुडे कॉन्टेक्स्ट कॉम्पिटेंसी या टुडे कॉन्टेक्स्ट में पहले बोल चुका, बहुत केस में जो सबऑर्डिनेटेड दे आर मच मोर कैपेबल देन द बॉस पर से। तो बॉस बना है बिकॉज ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, बिकॉज ऑफ हिज सीनियरिटी और बिकॉज ऑफ ही हैज सीन दैट काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन, मल्टीपल रीजन टू बिकम द बॉस, दैट डज नॉट मीन ही इज मोर कैपेबल। तो आपके लिए चाहिए आप अपने टर्न का वेट करो और उससे जो सीख सकते हो सीखो, कुछ तो उसको आता ही होगा, और सिचुएशन से सीखो, बजाय इस बात का कहने के वो कैसे बॉस बन गया। और ये ऐसा सही नहीं है कि बॉस इज ऑलवेज राइट। आप उसके साथ एग्री हो सकते हो, डिसएग्री हो सकते हो, लेकिन ऑलवेज देयर इज ऑप्शन ऑफ बीइंग इन न्यूट्रल आल्सो। एक बॉस आपको बोलता है गलत काम करने का, आपको बोल रहा है कि नहीं भाई आप कुछ सैंपल का एडजस्टमेंट करो, कुछ भी करो, सेल करो। तो मैं तो ये नहीं कहता कि आपको सेल करो, मत करो, बिल्कुल मत करो, लेकिन आप उसी वक्त आपने बॉस को 4 बार सुना दी, भैया क्यों इंटरगोनाइज कर रहे हो उसको, चुप सुन लो, करो मत। तो बॉस इज नेवर ऑलवेज राइट, बट नेवर टेक ए ओपन पंगा विद द बॉस। ऑलवेज थिंक व्हाट आर यू वर्किंग फॉर, थिंक अबाउट योर करियर, थिंक अबाउट योर वर्क। आप खुद से गलत काम कुछ मत करो, जो बोल रहा है उसको बोलने दो, सुन लो सबका।
Mr. Ramkumar is saying, sir, how to handle passive aggressive boss?
Passive aggressive boss, that is again a character of the boss. कोई इंसान है, he is very aggressive, and aggression means he is showing aggression. Aggression does not mean that people less like Dhoni retired yesterday, he is not aggressive, he is also aggressive. So some people are more expressive in the aggression, some people are little more passive. So, but that is his character. हम उसमें ज्यादा ध्यान क्यों देते हैं? जितने लोग आप मिलोगे उतने ही तरीके के लोग मिलेंगे, सब लोग आपके तरीके के नहीं मिलेंगे, आप अपने तरीके के एक अलग अदर इंसान हो, तो उसको बदलने की कोशिश मत करो। आप अपने काम, आपको बॉस से कितना मतलब है, आपको सपोर्ट सिस्टम है उससे चाहिए, आपको उससे इंक्रीमेंट बराबर आपका रिकमेंड करे, आपको परेशान नहीं करे, जो आपके 3-4 एक्सपेक्टेशन हैं बॉस से, उन 3-4 एक्सपेक्टेशन के बेस पे ही बॉस को इवेल्युएट करो, उसके कैरेक्टर के और उसकी पर्सनैलिटी के बेस पे मत करो।
Mr. Senthil is saying how to handle not answering boss at any time. Who doesn't answer usually?
या सी नॉट आंसरिंग इटसेल्फ इज आंसर। कई बार जब किसी को मना करना होता है तब वो आंसर नहीं करता, कुछ लोगों को हाँ करना होता है तब वो आंसर नहीं करते, और कुछ लोगों को कंफ्यूजन में छोड़ना होता है तब भी वो आंसर नहीं करते। तो ये कहना कि नॉट आंसरिंग बॉस को कैसे डील करें, तो फर्स्ट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट ही वांटेड टू से बाय नॉट आंसरिंग। ऐसा मतलब नॉट आंसरिंग इटसेल्फ इज अ कम्युनिकेशन। तो वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड देन कि ना बोल के वो क्या बोल रहा है। कई बार आप डिसीजन लेना चाहते हो, आपका बॉस बोल रहा है भाई मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता, इसका मतलब यह है कि जिम्मेवारी आप लो, आपकी जिम्मेवारी है। तो जब बॉस डिसीजन नहीं लेता, जब बॉस कुछ नहीं बोलता, इसका मतलब भी वो कुछ बोल रहा होता है। तो हमें वो समझना पड़ेगा वो क्या बोल रहा है, क्या डिसीजन दे रहा है। एंड सम टाइम यू विल गेट दैट काइंड ऑफ बॉस। मतलब फॉरगेट अबाउट पीपल डाउन द लाइन, द मेनी कंपनी हु आर द ओनर ऑफ द कंपनी। मैं तो ज्यादातर टाइम कंपनी के ओनर्स के साथ काम किया, जो कंपनी के ओनर्स है कई बार वो डिसीजन नहीं लेते, और वो दे एक्सपेक्ट अस टू टेक डिसीजन। जिससे गलत जाएगा तो अपने बताएंगे आपने गलती करी, और अच्छा जाएगा तो सब कंपनी की अच्छी बात है, उसमें आपने क्या कर दिया। सो यू हैव द कैरेक्टर लाइक दिस। होंगे ऐसे, बहुत होंगे।
Yes. So Mr. Krishna Prasad is saying one must not feel boss is difficult if they are demanding better performance and coaches us in tough times. But many will not tell how to do your task. So this kind of difficult bosses will ask us, you do this and that tough work, and do not ask how you are going to do that particular job. So what to do with these type of bosses?
कई बार बॉस आपको सिखाएंगे नहीं, बताएंगे नहीं, तुम करके दो, बट कृष्ण प्रसाद सही, तो मैं नहीं बताऊंगा, आप करके लाओ, मैं आपका काम है ये। तो समटाइम दैट काइंड ऑफ पीपल यू विल गेट। नाउ देयर ऑप्शन इज you do all different trial or error methods, a different way you will try out to understand how you can deal with this kind of situation, or some other senior you have in the industry, you can talk to him, or you can have the pharmacist kind of platform, then you can take some kind of counseling or consultation. अगर आपका बॉस ऐसा आपको मिल गया है, you get some kind of boss, I think Krishna Prasad from South, if you get a boss who does not want to help you out, he does not want to train you, who does not want to coach you, means he don't want to coach, he's like this only. You can't tell him that you have to coach me. He does not feel like, he feel like this is your work, this is my work, that's all, and relation over. So sometimes if you get that kind of boss, you have to learning point of view to self-learn, and you have to learn from outside. You cannot get what all the things you are expecting from the person.
Right, sir. Perfect. Sir, Mr. Ramkumar is saying, sir, one of my ABM will report without meeting customers along with the rep, but he delivers the number, and my super boss is particular about number delivery only. But is it good way to allow ABM like this? How to advise him?
No, it is certainly not good. I don't know what is super boss is there. That's why when we talk about role responsibility, up to regional manager, sometimes people tolerate these kind of things. But general manager onward, it is more about process understanding, whether things are happening right or not happening right. So we should not tolerate. If he's not meeting or not working properly, I think we need to communicate, we need to confront him. And those things, if it is confirmed, then we should simply ask him. Because that can spoil the whole thing. He may be good. He's giving number. It means instead of meeting 100 doctors, he may be meeting 50 doctors and delivering result. That's okay. But when he's not meeting the rest of 50 doctors, he's percolating that kind of culture into other people. If this kind of person work as a medical rep, it is not that big crime. Because as a medical rep, he may not percolate this culture to other people. But if this kind of person is working as a manager, it can percolate culture to other places also, and it is dangerous. So we need to act on such things. We should not tolerate numbers.
So Mr. Pakir Maideen, he's saying, good evening, sir. I am now working first line manager in a MNC company. My RSM called to all holidays. I said kindly call me from Monday morning 7 a.m. to Saturday 12 p.m. But I do many times switch off my phone in holidays. How to handle this situation? So basically, manager is calling always on Sundays also, on holidays also.
See, as good as in the sales management, almost 80-90% of communication happen on the weekends only. So when people are working in the sales management, I think he should not feel talking on Sunday or holidays. It's something like this. I'm working in sales management. I don't like traveling. It's not something that one has to travel. Then you should not pick up that kind of job. If the same thing happen in the marketing, then you can choose like this many Sundays for family. If you're working in the finance, you can always pick up like Sundays or the family. In the sales management is primarily is the people management. तो आपको रात को भी बात करते हैं, दिन में भी बात करते हैं, संडे में, सैटरडे में, all the time we talk because our job is the people management. So it's not necessarily that he should speak all the official thing. Many times our communication change. I don't advocate anybody on the talking on the Sunday and talk about everything operational. ये क्यों नहीं किया, वो क्यों नहीं किया, all those things, इसकी call करो, उसकी call करो. But something which you have coolly, you can get time talking there. Because in the field situation, daytime we are making doctor call, morning से 9-10 o'clock to evening से 9-10 o'clock. Now हम कब बात करेंगे? या तो सुबह 9 बजे के पहले, शाम को 9 बजे के बाद, otherwise weekends में. So that is where the preferred time of the salespeople. So what kind of discussion takes place? Those are the issues. But otherwise, we should not mind talking those things.
Okay. Mr. Vivek is asking, dear sir, thank you so much for good suggestion. Sir, many times my immediate boss expects to work as I say, not according to company strategy. If I do not work as per company strategy, so boss feels always angry and shouting. So he's saying basically, if I'm working as per the company strategy, my boss is angry on me. He wants him to work as per his boss strategy, basically.
The strategy इसमें क्या है पता नहीं.
I don't know.
Try to understand what boss actually want. कई बार हम बहुत कहते हैं कि कंपनी का स्ट्रेटजी ये है कि भाई हर डॉक्टर को मिलो 5-5 सैंपल दो, लेकिन आपका बॉस रीजनल मैनेजर बोलता है 5-5 मत दो भाई, किसी को 2 भी दे दो, किसी को 10 भी दे दो. तो अगर वो ऐसा बोल रहा है, सही बोल रहा है, दिस इज हिज वर्क एरिया, ही कैन ऑलवेज सजेस्ट लाइक दिस. सो व्हेन वी आर सेइंग कि बॉस इज सजेस्टिंग सम स्ट्रेटजी, as I mentioned, regional manager basic job is the redeployment of the resources, and he should do that. If regional manager is suggesting something, some tweaking or some changing, so he is doing well within his right. He should do that. He must do that. So what exactly is the strategy he is opposing? वो हमें देखना पड़ेगा. Or who is the boss? If boss is area manager, ideally he should not do many things. But if boss is regional manager, I think he should tweak the strategy. He should change the strategy. That is his job.
Okay. Nilesh Patil is saying, how to deal with a boss who do not like you, even if we are working as per his way, but suddenly he changes his way of working and go on changing always.
See, that is his interest area, as I mentioned during the presentation also. Sometimes people may not like you because his priorities are different, his interest area are different. We should not look at either. We need to understand his interest area, what is his interest, or why he dislike me. Otherwise, we should stop bothering about him. The many things happen. We bother too much about those things. मेरा बॉस पसंद कर रहा कि नहीं कर रहा, मेरी तरफ आज देख के उसने स्माइल किया कि नहीं किया. स्माइल करता नहीं करता कौन से हम वाले हैं, उसके बारे में इतना क्यों सोचते हो? अपने काम से काम करो. You should focus on the work, whether your work is getting done or not. Sometimes we are concerned too much. Why boss is saying? Boss can be under 10 more problems also.
Right.
So look at your core issues.
So Mr. Ramkumar is saying, I have also advised not to do, but not changing. Can I focus on number delivery or shall I initiate action against him? I think it is related to that comment that he earlier asked, that his super boss is more focused on number delivery and ABM is doing.
Basically, I think process one should not compromise.
Yeah. Mr. Anup Singh is saying sometimes boss want immediate response through WhatsApp, but at that time, if we are busy, even then he starts irritating. He wants that we are always online. How to resolve this issue?
See, sometime boss want के report अभी दो, and sometime bosses or managers or some people are like this. For them, every time it is urgent. All the time it is urgent. It's not that all the time it is urgent for them. It is the language is like this: urgent, urgent, urgent. And we should consider that this person is always in the urgent. तो सुन लो, करो वैसे जैसे आपको करना है. Because he does not mean the urgent. He always speak urgent.
Right.
Somebody, some people
Sir,
tone
this,
is like this.
but sir, this is a genuine problem actually, because this WhatsApp, since it has come now, so people are always online. So the boundaries are disappearing when you are working, when you are on work, or when you are with at your off work. The boundaries are disappearing because people feel that I'm connected, so I'll shoot a message, I'll quickly get a response. So it happens once, twice, and then it becomes a habit.
No, see, that's what I'm saying. The problem is that if I'm as a boss, I'm sitting in some waiting chamber. खाली नहीं बैठूंगा, मैं व्हाट्सएप पे कुछ ना कुछ डालता रहूंगा. सेंड इट इमीडिएटली, सेंड इट इमीडिएटली. अरे भाई, आप खाली बैठे हो. दिस इज योर प्रॉब्लम. Other person may not be sitting idle. So we should start looking at my boss, how my boss send keep this kind of message. See, when I was a business head, one of my division head, एक के बाद in next 10-15 minutes he send in a group to the regional manager. He send almost 7-8 message. So next day I called him. I said, तुम्हारी problem क्या है? Why? How people will perceive? एक के बाद message भेज रहे हो तुम. So but then many people do that, and he feel नहीं, I was doing something normal. To me, I find it abnormal. आप अपने सबऑर्डिनेट को या ग्रुप में 10 मिनट में 7 मैसेज भेज दोगे एक के बाद एक, तो पीपल विल समथिंग इज रॉन्ग. या तो एक ही मैसेज में सारी बात लिख दो.
Right.
Some people are like this. So we need to understand when we are working with someone. So we need to understand the person. What does it mean? कि बंदा भी परेशान है, या शाम को सोने से पहले 4 मैसेज भेजता ही है, या दिन में जब उसको कॉल नहीं मिलती तभी मैसेज भेजता ही है. तो we should react or revert in that way by understanding what that really means, rather by going by letter or SMS per se. Don't spoil your mood or your reaction per se.
Right. So Mr. Ramkumar is saying my boss never influence on my performance month, and he asks what is the number that is going to come from my end. Is it correct way of accepting and allowing as a leader, sir, from his end?
It is not correct, but why Ramkumar has to judge his boss? I'm not appreciating his boss, and many managers do that. कि वो पूरे महीने बात नहीं करेंगे या अपने मूड में रहेंगे, और by the end of the month they will ask for number बताओ. So during the month, manager also need to talk about process. If when process will be there, then only by month end number will come. So when is Ramkumar boss is doing that is doing wrong. But Ramkumar, if he start judging the boss, that also will be wrong. तो उसको उसके हाल पे छोड़ दो. अगर वो प्रॉब्लम कर रहा है, गलत है, कुछ भी, then he will face it. Why should Ramkumar become the Bhagat Singh?
Right. So Mr. Shiv Kumar is asking, sir, recently I became RM and 4 years back sales was good. But now sales is not there. Now company is giving old sales and they want it to bring back. But I joined in February 2020. How can I do this?
This year only, after that this corona issue is there. So that will take time, because company also understand. So he should not feel bad कि why company will keep on asking, because if the company also feel like this, my job is asking. कई बार we go into meeting, if my sale is say monthly 5 lakh sale and my target is 7 lakh, target अगले महीने करना है. I also know target इसका नहीं होगा, उसको मालूम नहीं होगा, फिर भी मैं उसको कसम धर्म खिला के भेजूंगा, target करना ही है. तो sometimes it become the culture of the system in the sales people, pharma sales management, नहीं ये करके ही लाना है. तो ऐसे में जब कोरोना है, people if they can retain the same base of the last year, when see I am the consulting to different company, when the company owner talk to me, so they expect कि शर्मा जी हमारा पिछले साल का बेस आ जाता तो ये good enough. तो we are working on that now. Last year का बेस आ जाता, that is good enough. That is our objective of the year now. Forget about growth or target achievement. Those things does not carry any meaning today. तो वो कंपनी कुछ भी बोलेगी, कुछ लोग कुछ बोलेंगे, बट वी नीड टू, इट्स ए टाइम टू वर्क फॉर द प्रोसेस, डोंट टेक प्रेशर। कई बार होता है लोग आपको प्रेशर देंगे, लेना नहीं लेना आपका हाथ है, सुन लो, लेकिन जो आपकी तरफ से बेहतर हो सकता है वो करो, एंड सेल से ज्यादा प्रोसेस पे ध्यान दो, क्योंकि आपने अभी ज्वाइन किया है, आज प्रोसेस सही होंगे, कल को सेल अच्छी आएगी। जो लोग आज आपको क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हैं, आज के 3 महीने बाद सेल अच्छी आएगी, वही लोग अच्छा कहना शुरू कर देंगे। लोगों की मेमोरी बहुत शॉर्ट है।
Sir, Mr. Sanjay is saying he is putting the full form of boss. He's saying like boss is basically busy over something stupid. I would rather say a leader is better than a boss, that he is commenting. So on this ground only, I would like to ask, like mostly if you'll ask people to just, put an explain this abbreviation boss, BOSS. Mostly I think negative comments will come. I have seen this mostly on the discussions. Why this particular negative connotation is attached with this boss figurehead?
Anyway, the boss itself is a negative term. There are some people who want to be called a boss. I tell you, in the medical college, and Satish, you know, na?
Yeah.
In the medical college, when you talk about a senior, junior, in different state, there is different nomenclature.
Yeah.
कुछ जगह सर बोलते हैं, जैसे महाराष्ट्र में सर बोलेंगे।
यस, दिल्ली में सर बोलते हैं सर इन डॉक्टर्स। मेरे कॉलेज में, मेडिकल कॉलेज में
आपके जो एक बैच सीनियर है उसको सर बोलेंगे, ठीक है। जब आप यूपी में जाते हो तो बॉस बोलना शुरू कर देते हैं।
नहीं, in Jaipur also I studied in medical college. They used to say boss only. So there is the culture of boss.
ये कल्चर तो नॉर्थ का ज्यादा कल्चर बॉस का है। वेस्ट में मैंने देखा महाराष्ट्र वगैरह में सर बोलते हैं, 1 साल सीनियर फिर भी सर बोलते हैं। तो ये जो एक कल्चर चल जाता है, द बॉस इटसेल्फ इज नेगेटिव। सम पीपल लव टू कॉल्ड बॉस, सम पीपल डोंट वांट टू बी कॉल्ड बॉस। सो वी हैव पिक अप द टर्म बिकॉज बॉस के नाम से ऐसा लगता है कुछ तो गड़बड़ है। अदरवाइज एवरीबॉडी शुड बी ए मैनेजर विद द लीडरशिप ओरिएंटेशन आइडियली। or more so boss denote basically immediate boss, immediate manager.
Yeah, right. So Mr. Kamlesh is saying how to handle arrogant subordinates who are supported by the super bosses.
First of all, when my subordinate is supported by the super boss, so we should first ignore that fact that he is supported by whom. Otherwise हमारे दिमाग में वही चलता रहेगा। कुछ चीजों को इग्नोर मारना चाहिए। Secondly, when somebody is arrogant, we need to become more cautious about what terminology we are using. हमने उसको कुछ भी बोलेंगे, वो हमको उल्टा बोलेगा। Arrogant आदमी। So when you are talking with an arrogant person, we need to become more cautious. We need to talk with more softly and more carefully. So these people basically make us more mature or more formal. तो ये अपने आप में एक learning है, training है, dealing with these kind of people. But every company, here and there you will get these kind of character. They will give you some kind of tough time. So these tough time, take it as a part of your career, take it as a part of your life. कि ऐसा होगा, कुछ ना कुछ लोग ऐसे मिलेंगे। तो उससे फॉर्मल बात करो, टू द पॉइंट बात करो, प्रेसाइज बात करो, ब्रीफ बात करो, उससे कोई लूज टॉक मत करो, उससे ऐसी कुछ मत करो जो ही कैन कन्वे टू टॉक।
Right. Mr. Ramkumar is again saying ZBM role is just pass on RBM and threat RBM if things not happen. Is it correct, sir? I won't get any help, but I need to deliver what is expected out of demand. How to handle this situation? If we ask something in doubts, he gets irritated. Mail sent, he reads that mail, he says, he has not written, sir. Matlab basically he is asking about senior is something who is not very supportive to him.
नहीं, देखो, general manager does not have that kind of job. But again, saying when we are discussing between boss and subordinate, regional manager onward, people should be a little bit assertive in talking to that. If any general manager behaving in some way, तो regional manager can always speak to his boss. कि थोड़ा boss ये problem है ऐसे, तो there is nothing wrong in that. I'm not suggesting कि area manager or medical that they should keep on questioning because they're too junior. But regional manager onward, because he also has access to the people at senior level. Always. So there's nothing wrong in questioning in soft manner. या अकेले में बात करके सब ये गलत है या ऐसा नहीं, whatever it is, he can convey. Again, depending on situation, the boss कहता है कितने juniority, seniority है, all those things factor has to take. But I'm telling you in generalized point of view.
Right, right, sir. So Mr. Krishna Prasad is asking question number two. He's saying, my friend used to say his difficult boss, soon after meeting few easy calls, asked him to buy hot drinks and keeps on drinking from 2 p.m. to 9 p.m. And other ABMs will not open their mouth on this kind of RBM. So this is the condition. I
नहीं,
don't
he
know.
used to take hot drink, मतलब वो liquor पीता था. Hard drink, not hot drink, hard drink.
Maybe hard drink or I don't know, hot drinks or tea.
नहीं, hot तो मतलब tea coffee. Hard means liquor.
We'll give him a chance to speak you directly. That is the
हाँ.
better thing. So,
जो पी रहा है उसको पीने दो, क्या दिक्कत है?
okay. So Mr. Sanjay is saying, how do you avoid a senior speaking purposely on Sundays and just he want duplication of data in different formats?
Sometimes when people you see purposely he's doing that, so you purposely don't do on that day. कुछ लोगों को sometimes they feel enjoy, they feel happy by giving you some work on Sunday also. The Sunday also you does not live coolly. तो उसने बोला, आपने सुन लिया. नेक्स्ट डे मांगेंगे, बोला सब आज शाम को करता हूँ, मंडे करता हूँ. Why you are not done till yesterday? सब नहीं हो पाया, टाइमिंग. That's all there. See, when somebody asking, it's not that you can do 100%. We need to understand the difference also. If someone is asking you doing anything, your job is not to always deliver on time. You can't do that. And many company, many places this thing happen. They keep on asking data, this format, that format, and without understanding how much time it's going to take. And field people are not so much, trained in the Excel also that they can quickly they can change all the data. They're not so good in the computers. So they take time. They don't have printer at house. They go out, print and all those things. So sometime if it is going to take time, let it take time. So boss also get the message, you're not going to get so soon. So sometime with the difficult people, you yourself should also become difficult. That is also.
Right. Mr. Sanjay is asking, sir, if some MR does false reporting, as a boss, what can I do?
See, first of all, we need to see what is the false reporting means and how do you know that reporting is the false. We should not judge something. Whether person is traveling, doctor is traveling out of station or maybe out of country, something kind of thing, and he has reported, that become the false. Or suppose then you should have ticket of that person of traveling and all. So if it is well justified, then we should straightforward talk and something. Otherwise, simply on the basis of doubt, all those things we should not create. We should trust the people.
Yeah, so Mr. Krishna Prasad has clarified, when this RBM goes to their headquarters, will things happen? Or bottle after bottle he is drinking. If ABM is not non-alcoholic, it's difficult. So basically it is not hot drinks, it's hard drinks.
No, it's easy. I'm telling you solution to Shiv Prasad because I'm also not drinker. So what happened, many times I have to sit with the boss who is a drinker. So वो दारू पिएगा, मैं उसकी मूंगफली खाऊंगा. So when we will look at person like me who will not drink, वो खुद irritate हो जाते हैं, ऐसे आदमी को बैठा के भी क्या करेंगे. So if you does not drink, then this is the right fit to the boss. Such thing. And my suggestion is that anybody must not drink liquor with the boss. Even if you take alcohol, come back to your home, take alcohol then. Don't take free alcohol with the boss. If you do that, you are gone. And if somebody non-drinker like me, it's a good thing. No boss would like to sit with him for such a rude person who does not drink and only take the peanuts. Because then my peanut taking speed will be more than the boss. वो एक दो पीनट खाएगा, फिर एक पैक लगाएगा, मैं पीनट ही पीनट खाऊंगा, ज्यादा खा जाऊंगा, खत्म हो जाएगी उसकी. So they don't like sitting with such people.
Okay. So yeah. So next one is Mr. Janardhan is asking, sir, I am RBM. My ZBM always overtakes me and calls my subordinates. Even though I respond in time, my subordinates get irritated and ask me why ZBM calls us. How to handle the situation?
First of all, I don't believe what his subordinate is saying. If his ZSM is calling again and again his subordinate, and his subordinate does not respond, he will not call. If he is responding, then only he is calling. And this person then giving to Janardhan is asking question, then he's telling Janardhan, see, your boss is calling me. So to me, it looked like that kind of communication. If you call someone, if it does not respond, या सुन के हाँ हूँ कर दिया, तो 2-4 बार के बाद नहीं कॉल करेगा. If he JSM is calling again and again, it means you are responding. Then only is calling.
Right.
So what is area manager is saying, that is wrong something.
Mr. Krishna Prasad is saying, I keep on telling all my managers that boss should be like boss full form. He is saying build on strengths for success. That is his definition. He's saying. So a new definition we got today. Yeah.
See, I'll tell you, if you get a good boss, sometime, good boss means who take best out of you, who develop you, who help you in the performing, who show you path for the growth. So which means if you get a 5 boss, 6 boss, you will get 1 such boss. Don't expect out of 5 you will get even 4 also like this. You will maybe get 1. If you're very, very lucky, you may get 2. So really good boss who are really good are very rare to get. And that boss is something like this. I'll tell in the Hindi. Maybe Krishna Prasad will find it difficult to understand because this is a North Indian say. They say, आप घर कैसा भी बना लो, उसमें धूप कुछ देर तक ही आएगी. तो जब धूप आए तो कपड़े सुखा लो. In this manner of communication, you will get a very good boss.
Sir, can you repeat that part? I missed, or I don't know whether others वो miss हुआ और network issue था.
I'm saying North India में कहावत है, आप घर किसी भी तरफ से बना लो, आपके घर में धूप कुछ देर तक ही आएगी. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि 12 घंटे धूप आएगी. तो जितनी देर धूप आती है उसी में कपड़े सुखाने होते हैं. As a profession also, you will get some time in the life where you're getting really good boss, a really good working environment. So that time you take advantage to ensure faster growth. Don't enjoy that period. Use that period for the fast growth rather than enjoying comfortably, because you're not likely to get full career like this.
Mr. Sanjay Tambre is saying, sir, boss does not want to explain or guide how to do the things, but he will be shouting and insulting every time. So what should I do?
See, some people will do that. They talk more about number. They don't feel like training the people. They more feel like that I'm hiring you because you know this job, they do this job. So their thought process is more like a supervisor. Like a supervisor will not tell much thing to worker. I've hired you, you do that. Here, he need to train also. So some people will not train, but some people will be like this only. You can't change their thought process. Only thing in coolly you can ask him, boss, if you can help me by doing this thing, or you can give me some suggestion, some idea. He may help something. But if he's not helping, he's not that way, or he may take it wrongly. Because some people take it wrongly also. You don't know this much also. If am I there to tell you all those things? Well, then why am I hiring you? So if you feel like your boss is like this, is going to reject it, then you have to learn by your trial, your error, and maybe look at outside learning. But sometime you will get that kind of manager also.
Tirumal is commenting basically, when the going gets tough, that's going. Yeah, good comment, Tirumal. Thank you for sharing that. Mr. Sanjay Tambe is saying, sir, on that earlier question also, only he is adding, I think, sir, boss said, why should I teach you? This is not a teaching center. What should I do?
See, some people listen the thought process like this. See, one person thought process is that if some junior person is coming to me, he should remember me, that he has learned something from me. And some people are like this. I have had this person as an area manager, regional manager, or medical rep. He has to deliver that thing. I'm not here to teach him because nobody is teaching me. So it is a different people, different thought process. So unless this person's thought process does not change, we can't do anything. And you can't change his thought process. His senior can change his thought process.
Mr. Ajaj Nathani is saying, how to handle sales adjustment issues?
So sales adjustment issues, best handling, don't do sales adjustment. Something in the life better not to do. There's no other way of handling them. कुछ काम नहीं करने चाहिए. It's all trap.
Right. So it keeps on increasing, and ultimately you are into so much into trap. It's no way to
Once you
way out.
enter into crime, you will never able to go out of crime, and your secret are never secret. They will one day will come open also. It's that market.
Yeah. Shiva L. Kumar is saying, okay, he's commenting. Thank you, Sharma sir. I worked under you in LCAM and Unicam as a ABM. Thank
Okay.
you for such a valuable suggestions. Okay. Mr. J. Singh is saying, person all day shares pics and problems of headquarter and in evening reports ex headquarter repeatedly, and I tried to make him understand that don't do this type of work, but he do it again and again. I discussed this with my senior manager or second line manager, maybe he's saying, but he takes things very lightly during discussion with him. So that is his query.
But his medical rep give all the problems.
Yes, person all day shares pics and problems of headquarter.
And his regional manager don't bother about that.
Yes.
So his regional manager what is doing is the right thing. He should also not bother. एक इंसान just giving monkey on your shoulder. So why you taking his monkey? Sometimes some people are there. Whenever you meet, they will always tell the problem, give the problem to you. So don't take the problem. Your problem, bhaiya, your problem. If I can help something, you tell me. But ownership lies with you only. So once, twice, thrice, we should make person to understand. But there are again some people, they don't understand that. So that let them, what regional manager is doing, let us ignore those people. Because in the people management, we get different character. And people who are working in the sales management, they will get all different kind of characters, no uniform characters.
Yes. Mr. Yash is saying, sir, how to deal with work anxiety, workload, stress, as I feel panic sometimes.
See, we all are human beings, and as a human, we are sensitive to some different things. Somebody may be sensitive to his career, somebody may be sensitive to his personal life, somebody may be sensitive to within personal life to about some people. So wherever we are too sensitive, we take stress, anxiety about it. So one is try to develop alternative to that, or try to think if there's something wrong happen, then what next can happen. Because if you continuously keep on taking stress or things goes up to panic and all that, so उस situation में then you will developing disease, not the solution. So anything should not go to that level, and it differ from person to person. हम कई बार देखते हैं कि एक आदमी को छोटी सी घटना सुनी, उसको हार्ट अटैक आ गया, बोला इतनी छोटी बात थोड़ी ना था. It can be big for him. So we all individual differ. We take something. I'm taking, for me something is serious, for you something else may be serious, for maybe that person maybe something else is serious. So if something is becoming so serious, we try to address and resolve. Otherwise, this will create problem.
I'll add here, VK sir.
Yeah.
If it is of any help, we have put up a course related to how to deal with stress. So
Yeah.
you can go to the website and do that course from VK sir.
Yes.
It may help you out in some way or the other.
Yes. So how to deal with stress while in pharma sales management? Typically, this is related to this area of work only. So you can go and do this course. Very nice insights and ways are there to cope stress.
Yeah. Even in coaching part also, we take care of these things through neuro-linguistic programming also, or like a kind of psychology also. We treat all this.
Yes. So on this front only, before we move ahead, just like to inform that we have coaching programs for all type of problems, whether it is career related, whether it is business growth related, or whether your personality related. Any sort of issue you are having, we are a problem solver. So you you can connect us for any problem, and we can just solve it for you by providing coaching, mentoring, and other ways that we have. Right. So always there is a solution of every problem in this world. So don't worry about things. If you have problem, you need to reach the right mentor. That is most important. So Mr. Krishna Prasad is asking question number 3. He has asked why they say people do not quit companies, but quit bosses. Why they hold on instead of going jobless?
Sometimes people are not able to tolerate or face that kind of situation. So some people leave the job and they go jobless also. And sometimes people commit suicide also. Sometimes people join it, even demotion also. All the different type of character I have seen. Question is that we cannot comment on somebody else's mental status. We say, why so and so person commit suicide is a stupid person. He is not a stupid person. He has caught that kind of situation, and to him, this person is huge. It's a big problem for him. It may not be the same big problem for me. So different people perceive the same problem in different way. So within the same situation, some people committed suicide also. So we need to look at how to deal the situation.
Yeah. I am taking one question from Facebook also, sir. From Facebook Live, we are getting few comments, out of which one comment I am reading. It's a long one. It is from Mr. Parshib Devnath. It is something like this. Sir, started my job in 2017. During the first days, I promoted my products ethically, but my sales rate was not increasing. After that, I started telling the doctors, after detailing that, sir, please don't prescribe my products. After that, the sale was dramatically increased. But after some days, when my ZSM found things and don't accept my process, and now I am jobless for 3 months.
Correct.
Yeah.
So these are some sales tricks. Sometimes it works, and most of the time it does not work. So he should not have done that.
Exactly. So maybe
by sometimes sometimes it's a negative marketing.
Yeah.
And sometimes negative marketing work. I give you one example. In UP, Kanpur, there is a shop, Thaggu Ke Laddu. I don't know if people have heard of. आपने सुना सतीश? सतीश आपने सुना कि ठग्गू के लड्डू?
Yes sir, yes sir. In WhatsApp it keeps on circulating.
अच्छा नहीं मैं दुकान देखी है.
अच्छा ओके.
तो उस दुकान की जो टैग लाइन है, जो पे ऑफ लाइन है, वो है ऐसा कोई सगा नहीं जिसको हमने ठगा नहीं.
राइट.
ठीक है. तो आई आस्क्ड द पर्सन, अपन तो खाली घूमते रहते हैं, डॉक्टर से मिलते मिलते बीच में टाइम मिला तो लड्डू भी खा लेते हैं, भाई तुमने ये क्यों लिखा है, मतलब व्हाई सच थिंग्स. तो मैंने दुकान वाले से पूछा, ही सेज के साहब हम इतना शुगर डालते हैं, शुगर खाना अच्छी बात नहीं है, तो इसलिए हम बोलते हैं कि जो भी हमारा खाता है ना, तो उसका नुकसान तो है ही शुगर खाने से ही. तो हम तो ये एक तरह की नेगेटिव मार्केटिंग है, दिस इज वर्किंग इन आवर फेवर, so he is doing it. So ठग्गू के लड्डू are famous with the negative marketing. Because some place it work, but this same thing does not work in Mathura ke pede or maybe Dharwad ke pede. They talk about all goody things about those pedas. So sometimes what he was talking, doctor don't write my product, that is clicked there. It does not mean it will click everywhere. It's not something good practice to do. So that is why general manager, I think general manager first should have explained him ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए, and then if he does not agree, then only should take the action. But it was wrong on his part to do it.
Okay. One more last question, I think. Mr. Gopal Sharma is asking how to handle age factor behavior of an MR if he is older by 10 years.
When our subordinate is older than us, then most of the time what happens, the feelings start coming that he has not seen the life. My boss has not seen the life. He will not understand. And somehow by heart to heart, he does not have that kind of respect of the boss. In such situation, we should become more formal rather than becoming informal kind of thing. So whatever we talk, because mentally you have to prove or you have to show that you are worth becoming his boss, or you know something, or you can contribute something, you can make him learn something. You may not be bigger to him than experience, but still you can contribute to his performance, or you can help him to improve his performance. You may be some or other way good to him. So that kind of behavior, that kind of performance you have to put before you, then only it help in accepting him. Otherwise, this age gap is the problem.
Sorry, one more question is there, sir. Dear sir, what will be the future of PCD markets? Because almost that have covered markets.
See, in India, there is within one pharma market, there is multiple markets are operating. One is a PCD market, something is CRM based market, something is ethical market, something multinational companies kind of market. So within one market, there is multiple market. So the पीसीडी के लिखने वाले डॉक्टर्स हैं, पीसीडी प्रमोट करने वाले हैं, सपोज वो मार्केट से मैं कहता हूँ 1000 करोड़ की है, तो मोर प्लेयर विल कम, मोर their margin will reduce, and that is how keep on happening. So you will see the most of the people who are doing this PCD kind of business, their business does not grow beyond a point. कुछ लोग ऐसे 2-2.5 लाख पर रुक जाते हैं, कुछ 8-10 लाख पर रुक जाते हैं, कुछ 14-15 लाख पर रुक जाते हैं, तो वो एक लिमिट तक रुक जाते हैं, उसके बाद ग्रोथ नहीं होती. So it is not really business, it is something like kind of a job they are doing, and they are able to do business up to some level. तो जैसे आप पॉलिटिक्स में कुछ पोलिंग में जाओगे, कुछ इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट होंगे, वो हर जगह होंगे, कुछ आपकी वोट वो काटेंगे. तो यहाँ भी some PCD will be there. One PCD company is working at Jaipur, some will be working Kota, some other may be working in Dosa, something at Jodhpur, and maybe Ajmer. Every place different some PCD company will be there, and some share they will take. And that is one market, so we should not much bother about those companies or that market. If X number of X name with the PCD company will not work, Y will come. Y will not come, Z will come. So that is a kind of market by give and take, all these things they are working. And I see for some more time they will keep on working. Once pharma draft policy comes, it may come down 2, 3, 4 years. That time they may stop working also. But till then, I think they will keep on working, and we should not bother about much. They are not going to take a major company share.
Right. So before we open the session for one-to-one interaction, I have just put the link to the WhatsApp group of VK Sharma sir. So anyone who wants to, be connected to him, wants to get future updates for the coming webinars or any other trainings and information, or wants to connect with him, you can just click the link and join this WhatsApp group. So we keep on posting all the information into WhatsApp group. So it will be very easy to, be connected to us. Okay, so I can be a faculty and to be a trainer. So you can connect us, Mr. Thirumal. We can think over it. Okay, Mr. Krishan Prasad is again saying, sir, these PCD owners are trying to lure us with heavy incentives and quit our present job. Is it good?
For them it is good, but they are doing the right thing. Not for Mr. Prasad.
Yes, for themselves they are growing, but they
do that.
Yes.
See, some of these kind of people also consult me. I also suggest them that kind of thing.
Yeah. So it is good for them.
It's good for them.
Yeah.
But they're doing the right thing.
Right.
But they are buying your credibility. They're buying your face value.
Yes, and directly making their product. So selling their product. Yes. Okay, so that's all, and I'm just putting our email ID and this thing phone number also in the comment, and search WhatsApp group again into the comment so that you can join. And if you have joined, now we'll continue to the next section where we allow everyone to interact directly with the speaker. So I am opening now the mute thing, and now you can unmute yourself, and now you'll be able to unmute yourself. And now anyone is having any question, you can just unmute yourself, take your name, and then ask the question directly to VK sir. You are unmuted. Anyone? If anyone wants to interact, otherwise we will...
Hello.
Yes,
please.
Sir, Shanti Bhushan from Muzaffarpur.
Santosh, Muzaffarpur.
Shanti Bhushan, yes.
Shanti Bhushan जी बोल रहे हैं.
जी सर.
बोलिए.
Sir, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Sir, good evening.
Good evening, Shanti. बोलो.
Sir, question is when the senior asks, what is your achievement per day, weekly or monthly in this corona situation? What will be the good answer? I think there is nothing, any achievement which is...
Nothing. When people ask something, you need to understand or decode what he want to say. And accordingly you should reply. Sometimes we should not look at what words person is using. If in the corona time where the industry is under pressure for the performance, although performance of the industry is not so bad the way it is being perceived, but even then some people will try to put pressure, whatever maximum you can do, you do it. So they will put क्या किया, क्यों किया, इतना क्यों नहीं किया. इसका मतलब है what best you can do it and rest it fully. कई बार ऐसा कि लोग आपको प्रेशर दे रहे हैं, लोग आपको परेशान कर रहे हैं, बट वेदर यू आर टेकिंग प्रेशर नॉट टेकिंग प्रेशर दैट इज अप टू यू. पीपल विल से समथिंग. आप जाके अगर फुल्ली में डॉक्टर प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे हैं, पेशेंट कम आ रहे हैं, तो जबरन आप सेल तो नहीं उतनी बढ़ा देंगे. एंड दैट कंपनी ऑल्सो नोस.
जी हाँ सर.
तो इसलिए उसमें परेशान होने की जरूरत नहीं है. जो
राइट सर. राइट सर. एग्जैक्टली मैटर सेल्स का ही होता है सर, वॉल्यूम वाइज. व्हाई इट इज नॉट डन.
बोल दो इसलिए नॉट डन, मतलब प्यार से बोलो, लड़के
राइट सर, गॉट इट.
हाँ सुन लो
जी.
कई बार लोगों को सुना के शांति मिलती है, तो अगर आपको कुछ बोल के किसी को शांति मिलने तो पहले कैसे.
जी.
Okay.
Right, sir.
So one more question.
Thank you, sir.
One more question has come, sir. Mr. Navneet is asking how to convince a boss who doesn't show interest and not responds to the genuine business requirements.
Who does not show the interest and does not respond to genuine business requirements.
Requirements, yes.
See, we need to, again, if something business, what is genuine, non-genuine, I don't know, but even then, assuming everything is correct, so he should talk to the person once, twice, thrice, and if you feel he's so convinced his requirements are correct, then he should escalate to his next person, कि सर मेरी ये requirement है. And don't complain about your senior. If that's senior to senior, ask why don't you talk to that person. He said मैंने उनको बोला था, सर हो सकता है उन्होंने आपको बात किया, I thought let me also talk to you. So instead of blaming your senior, प्यार से next person, then we should escalate.
Right. So anyone else who want to interact? Any query, any question you have?
सर जी नमस्ते.
नमस्ते.
हमारे बॉस है.
Please tell your name, sir.
संजय.
Okay.
हमारे बॉस हैं, पर्पसली वैकेंसी क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, अपनी
Purposely?
वैकेंसी बना रहे हैं, प्रेशर दे रहे हैं, कोरोना में छोड़ दो, नहीं आ सकते तो छोड़ दो, ट्रैवलिंग है मेट्रोज में. तो कहीं ना कहीं हाउ डू आई हैंडल हिम?
जो आप प्रॉब्लम बता रहे हैं कि वो जबरन वैकेंसी क्रिएट करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, तो ये कोई पहली बार तो नहीं हो रहा है. अगर आप देखोगे लोअर सेल्स मैनेजमेंट में, एरिया मैनेजर लेवल पे, रीजनल मैनेजर लेवल पे, दोस थिंग्स आर वेरी कॉमन. क्योंकि जब वैकेंसी क्रिएट हो जाती है, वी हैव इजी एक्सक्यूज टू टेल टू आवर सीनियर्स के सब वैकेंसी इसलिए सेल नहीं हो पा रही, नया भर रहे हैं अभी हम. तो वो जो भी कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आप अपना काम करो, अपनी तरफ से. अगर आपको किसी को नहीं निकालना, मत निकालो.
ठीक है.
मैं वही बोला, एक आदमी प्रेशर दे रहा है या कुछ भी बात कर रहा है, यू शुड नॉट टेक दैट. कैन ही टर्मिनेट यू? आई डोंट थिंक.
नहीं, फिर वो मेरे पे प्रेशर दे रहा है, तुम नहीं निकाल रहे हो, मुझे निकालना पड़ रहा है.
निकाल दो, सब आप निकाल सकते हो, निकाल दो. हम तो नहीं, हमारे हिसाब से नहीं निकालना चाहिए. अगर आप कन्विंस हो, तो अगर आपको लगता है उस आदमी को नहीं निकालना चाहिए, तो मत निकालो. किसी के कहने से मत निकालो. इफ योर बॉस सेज कि हम निकाल देंगे, निकालो, बड़ी अच्छी बात है. आप बॉस हो, मालिक हो, कुछ भी करो. लेट्स सी. कई बार हम सिचुएशन से डर जाते हैं. मैं आपको संकेत एक बार बताऊं कि ये होता है हिरण की मैक्सिमम स्पीड दौड़ने की है 90 किलोमीटर पर आवर, और शेर की होती है 50 किलोमीटर पर आवर. उसके बाद भी शेर हिरण को पकड़ लेता है. दो वजह होती है साहब. एक तो हिरण बार बार पीछे मुड़कर देखता है, जैसे पीछे मुड़ता है वो ऑलमोस्ट रुक जाता है, तो उसकी स्पीड कम हो जाती है. पहली गलती. और दूसरी गलती, हिरण को लगता है तुम मरेगा ही मरेगा, तो कहीं ना कहीं ही गिव अप कर देता है और वो गिर जाता है. अदरवाइज उसकी स्पीड शेर की स्पीड से बहुत ज्यादा है. अगर वो सही से दौड़े, वो शेर के कभी हाथ नहीं आ सकता. तो समटाइम हम कई बार ऐसी गलती करते हैं, ऐसे प्रेशर में आके, जो हमें नहीं करनी चाहिए.
ये बात एचआर में बोलनी चाहिए, नहीं बोलनी चाहिए?
अरे क्यों चला कर फिर भगत सिंह बनना है? ये बड़ा गलत काम है. हम इतने आतुर क्यों होते हैं मंगल पांडे, भगत सिंह बनने के लिए? अरे नौकरी करने आए हो तो जवाहरलाल नेहरू बनो. नौकरी नहीं करनी है, झंडा खड़ा करना, मंगल पांडे बनो, भगत सिंह बनो, अगर आपकी मर्जी जो बनना बनो, फिर ये मत कहना नौकरी छूट गई।
प्रणाम सर।
Right. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else who wants to interact?
Sir, good evening, sir. Hello.
Uh-huh.
गुड इवनिंग।
Yes.
Sir, this is Shiv Prasad Tripathi here from Mumbai.
Yeah.
हाँ जी सर।
Sir, I have a country manager. उससे क्या होता है, जब भी इससे कुछ डिटेल्स मांगता हूँ मैं, तो कुछ ना कुछ डिनाई कर देता है, रीजन देके कि सर आज ये इश्यूज है, आज वो इश्यूज है। काम करने पे प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, लेकिन जो डिटेल्स हमसे मांगते हैं ना, वो कभी टाइम पे देता नहीं है, तो थोड़ा एरोगेंट है चीजों को लेके। और हमारे बॉस चाहते हैं कि उसको उस बात को निकाल दूं मैं, तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि बस इज डूइंग द राइट जॉब। सो व्हाट यू सजेस्ट?
नहीं, उससे बैठ के समझो, सी एनीबडी इज डूइंग एनी बिहेवियर, देयर इज ऑलवेज रीजन। हम कई बार कुछ चीजों को कंक्लूड करना चाहते हैं, हम पूछते नहीं हो सर। अगर इफ यू सिंपली गो एंड आस्क दिस थिंग टू दिस पर्सन कि भाई ऐसा आप क्यों करते हो, जस्ट एक मेरे कहने से ट्राई कर लो एक बार पर्सनली मिलके, यार ऐसे ऐसे बात है, हम पूछते कभी डिटेल नहीं, मतलब ऐसा क्यों करते हो भाई दीवार, देन लिसन व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रिप्लाई ही गेट यू गेट।
नहीं सर, आई स्पीक टू हिम पर्सनली। मैं जब गया था उससे मिलने के लिए भी, तो ही वाज सेलिंग सर मुझे कोई सपोर्ट सिस्टम नहीं है, मुझे सब कुछ खुद करना पड़ता है, आई डोंट हैव एक्सेस ऑफ लैपटॉप प्रॉपर्ली, आई एम नॉट सो एक्सेसिबल टू लैपटॉप। लेकिन वही रिपोर्ट अगर जब मेरा बॉस मांगता है तो ऑन शेड्यूल आ जाता है, तो वही मैं मांगता हूँ तो उससे टाइम लगाता है।
नहीं, आपको ये देखना है कि जो वो रीजन बता रहे हैं वो कितने लॉजिकल है, कितने जेन्युइन है उसके। अगर उसके रीजन जेन्युइन है, लॉजिकल है, तो उसको एक्सप्लेन वैसे करना चाहिए। अगर उसके रीजन लॉजिकल जेन्युइन नहीं है तो उसको बताए भैया ये नहीं चलेगा, नहीं ऑपरेट हो पाएगा। बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग, ट्राई टू लिसन, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड। कोई भी इंसान कुछ भी काम करता है उसकी वजह होती है, बिना वजह खुद भी कुछ नहीं करता। एंड इन सब चीजों को कूलली सेटल करो। सिंपली किसी ने निकाल दिया, नहीं निकालना चाहिए। और अगर उसको लगता है वो नहीं करना चाहता है, वो नहीं करेगा, सिस्टम एडजस्ट नहीं हो पाएगा, उससे निकलना, तो कब तक बचाओगे उसको?
ठीक है सर। सर दूसरा एक और चीज पूछना मुझे, इट्स रिगार्डिंग इंक्रीमेंट। लाइक अभी मेरे पास जब मैंने बजट लिया था तो वो लास्ट ईयर की मैं अपने बंदों को अराउंड 10% इंक्रीमेंट दूंगा, ठीक है, अराउंड 10% फॉर एंटायर फील्ड फोर्स। लेकिन जब वही मैं इंक्रीमेंट में बॉस के बाद दिया था तो 2 या 3% ही देता है। तो उसमें बंदों का जो ग्रोथ है ऑलरेडी मोर देन 50% है, प्लस अचीव भी किया है। तो ये बॉस में कैसे, आई एम ट्राइंग टू फाइट इट आउट रीजन, बट उसने बताया नहीं इतना ही।
हमारे बॉस का डेजिग्नेशन क्या है?
ही इज अ वीपी।
ही इज अ वीपी।
या
हाँ, तो उसके पास भी कुछ लिमिटेशन है। सी, मैंने खुद एज ए वीपी और सीनियर वीपी पुट टुगेदर आई वर्कड एज ए 10 ईयर।
ओके।
तो जो हमारे पास अप्रेजल आता है तो उसका कुछ नहीं करते, क्योंकि जब व्हेन वी टॉक टू कंपनी ओनर टॉक अबाउट एक्सेल शीट। एक एक्सेल शीट बनती है और एक्सेल शीट में कितना बजट है, कितना पैसा देना है, कैसे डिवाइड करना, ऑल द डिस्कशन टेक्स प्लेस ऑन दैट शीट। सो व्हाटएवर डिसाइड बिटवीन देम इट गेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड। तो आपने सपोज बोला कि माय वीपी इज टू बी ब्लेम्ड, नॉट नेसेसरली। आई एम नॉट डिफेंडिंग हिम, बट आई एम सेइंग नॉट नेसेसरली। हो सकता है आपका कंपनी को ओनर ही नहीं देना चाहता हो सकता है उसने बोला होगा भाई मैं आपको 10 लाख रुपए दे रहा हूँ, 10 लाख में डिवाइड करो, किसको कितना कितना करना है। एंड देयर आर सम बिग कंपनी, सम टॉप कंपनी, दे ऑपरेट इन सच ए वे, जहां हम बात कर रहे हैं 8%, 10%, दे से योर बजट इज दिस मच लाख रुपीस, यू हैव टू डिवाइड टू whom you want to divide. And there is some company, even now at the owner level, they decide whatever they want to decide. So it's not necessarily, despite being at vice president level, he has authority really to decide. I'm not saying he does not have authority to change anything. But question is, when he's seeing the team, he may be seeing 1,000 people or maybe 800 people. How many people he can support that way? He has to look at from his promoter point to what promoter want. I'm saying it can be his genuine problem also. So you have to look at how increment he's giving to other people.
No, sir. The thing is that because I deal with 3 countries, so I do not get informed about other countries. Whatever countries I have, I can see that countries only. So in that scenario, the countries that I deal with have got the least. What was the budget over last year? Like even last year I have a budget, and last year also we have proposal which because my VP has changed. It's a new VP. I don't deny that.
No issue.
But how to deal? Because 3% for that country
No issue.
is very less.
Another situation I tell you, giving increment, you need not to wait for the year.
Mm-hmm.
It's all publicly we talk that the annual increment and all those things. Increment happen all the 12 months in every company.
Mm-hmm.
सभी कंपनियों में सभी 12 महीने इंक्रीमेंट होता है. So if you put up your case into the right person, right way, any time increment can be done. Why you wait for the annual increment? Why don't you talk even next month itself? Okay, my team is required this thing. I want your support. And for that, if you have to meet your promoter, you meet them. There's nothing wrong in that. You're not asking for yourself. You're asking for your team.
So I'm trying
there's no point of waiting for April.
Yeah. I already proposed a month of Feb. It is now around, you can say it's almost August end.
When you send the proposal, you send by mail or something, better go and meet. Send the proposal, that is okay, go and meet also. There's nothing wrong. When you are dealing with the as a countries, so there's nothing wrong going and meeting. Sometime on certain things, we need to be assertive. And don't wait again, I'm saying don't wait for April. Increment does happen all 12 months, all the companies.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for a valuable insight. Thank you.
Yes,
hello, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, Vijay here
Yes,
from
sir.
Bangalore. Sir, recently in this lockdown time, we launched two new brands. Okay, so in this critical time, we achieved that as per organization budgets last 3 months, but their expectation is that no 5 times higher side. So as more than target, so it's difficult to achieve that. We told that as practical things, but they are asking that every day, morning and evening reviews, giving pressurize that how to deal this one.
See, when they are doing morning and evening review, this means they don't have any other work. That's why they are doing review in the COVID time. COVID time, lot of review are taking place because I don't have any other thing to do. So I'm doing the review. Correct.
Yes.
Secondly, when people ask, you do 5 times, 3 times, they are saying you do maximum and you should do what maximum possible. Rest of thing, don't bother about that. Do best from your side. There is no point of reverting on anything.
Yes, sir.
It is so like, some bounce. It is something like one bowler is throwing the bouncer in a test match. How to play? Don't play. Let it be. So sometimes you need not to answer everything in the life. Now you say you're saying something.
Yeah, because of the team also, when I asking same thing, because of their frustration for that, because of the team also some 50% of new team, but the expectation is in higher side. So even I told that I will doing best and also targeted already doctors we doing that. But this critical time, definitely they didn't keep that more stock new brands. So limited stock only they're keeping. So, but they're not listening. You should keep more stock in hospital level and doctor level.
No, they will keep on saying you should pass on the right message or the right thing to down the line your team. Listen them and ensure your team do whatever best can be done without taking at your life risk because of COVID time and all that. And don't take that much tension. It has to be done. Whatever sale could have been possible in the normal time, it will not happen in the COVID time.
Yeah.
So unnecessary botheration, there's no point of taking.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I think that was the last question of the day.